The mysteries of the universe extend far beyond what we can see and understand, sparking curiosity about the existence of life beyond our planet. Imagine if we could uncover the secrets that lie beyond the observable universe. It could completely change our understanding of life and existence. For instance, what if there were other forms of intelligent life thriving in galaxies far away? This possibility raises questions about their cultures, technologies, and ways of communicating. Furthermore, if these civilizations have been watching us, what insights could they offer about our own existence? Considering the vastness of space, the idea that there are other worlds potentially teeming with life becomes more plausible. If we could learn about the different ecosystems they host, we might find that many creatures adapt in ways we can't even fathom. Picture strange, bioluminescent organisms that thrive in extreme conditions, or massive creatures that glide through dense atmospheres of gas giants. These imaginative concepts challenge our current understanding of biology and adaptation, revealing the incredible diversity that could exist in the universe. Moreover, if scientific missions were able to reach the edges of the universe, we might discover previously unknown laws of physics that govern the cosmos. This knowledge could help us unlock the mysteries of gravity, time, and space, potentially leading to advancements in technology here on Earth. The implications of such discoveries are profound. They could inspire a new era of exploration, encouraging future generations to pursue careers in science and environmental conservation. If we understood how life forms adapt on distant planets, could we apply those lessons to save endangered species here at home? Additionally, the question of whether the universe is infinite or finite adds another layer of intrigue. If it's infinite, does that mean there are countless versions of Earth, each with its own unique species and ecosystems? The thought of alternate realities where different evolutionary paths were taken can spark fascinating discussions about biodiversity and the impact of environmental factors on the development of life. As we ponder these possibilities, the concept of time travel becomes a captivating topic. If we could manipulate time and travel to different periods of the universe's life, we might witness the birth of stars, the formation of planets, and even the emergence of life in its earliest forms. Such experiences could deepen our appreciation for the planet we inhabit and the fragility of ecosystems. Moreover, if we could connect with other civilizations, think of the technological exchanges that could occur. What if we learned from their sustainable practices or advanced medical technologies? The potential for knowledge sharing could lead to groundbreaking advancements. The discovery of what lies beyond the universe could completely change our understanding of space and time, revealing new dimensions to our existence. Imagine a vast expanse beyond the cosmos we see, filled with unknown phenomena and perhaps even different laws of physics. If scientists were to uncover evidence of another universe or dimensions beyond our own, it could suggest that the universe is just one of many, each with its own unique characteristics. This could lead to the idea that space and time are not fixed but rather fluid, allowing for possibilities like parallel universes or alternate timelines. It might challenge the very fabric of our scientific theories, which currently rely on the concept of a singular, expanding universe. Furthermore, understanding what exists beyond our universe could provide insights into the origins of our cosmos, potentially answering profound questions about how everything began. If we learned that there are other universes, it might imply that our universe is part of a much larger multiverse, where different regions could behave in ways we cannot even imagine. This could also reshape our perceptions of time. If time behaves differently in these theoretical realms, it might mean that what we consider the past, present, and future is not as linear as we believe. Instead, time could be cyclical or fragmented in ways that challenge our conventional understanding. The implications for both science and philosophy would be immense as we grapple with questions of existence, reality, and our place in a potentially infinite cosmos. The exploration of these ideas could inspire a new wave of curiosity and investigation, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge further than ever before. As we ponder what lies beyond, we might find ourselves not only rethinking the universe, but also reflecting on the very nature of perception and the limits of human understanding. This journey into the unknown could unveil secrets that have eluded us for centuries, igniting a collective fascination with the mysteries of the universe and what may lie beyond the stars. Understanding what exists beyond the universe could profoundly change how we perceive the cosmos, sparking curiosity and igniting new questions about our place in the vastness of existence. If we were to discover realms or dimensions beyond our observable universe, it might expand our understanding of space and time, suggesting that the universe we know is just a fraction of a larger, more complex reality. For instance, imagine discovering parallel universes where different versions of our world play out simultaneously with variations in history, life forms, and even physical laws. This revelation could lead us to rethink fundamental concepts like gravity, light, and the very nature of reality itself. The implications would ripple through many fields of study. In astronomy, scientists might start to explore the idea of a multiverse, sparking new theories and technologies aimed at detecting signs of these other realms. In philosophy, discussions about existence and consciousness could deepen as we ponder whether life might exist in forms we cannot yet comprehend. It could also impact our understanding of metaphysics, leading us to question what it means to be real and whether our universe is just one of countless others, each with its own unique characteristics. Furthermore, knowing what lies beyond the universe might alter our perspective on life here on Earth. It could foster a sense of humility, reminding us that our struggles and triumphs are small in the grand scheme of things. Alternatively, it might inspire hope, as the discovery of other life forms or civilizations could suggest that we are not alone in the cosmos, prompting a sense of connection to something much larger. Culturally, this knowledge could influence art, literature, and media as creators explore themes of infinity and existence in new ways. As people grapple with the vastness of the cosmos, it could lead to a renaissance of curiosity and exploration, encouraging more individuals to engage with science and the mysteries of the universe. The very act of seeking to understand what lies beyond could unite humanity as we collectively strive to uncover the secrets of our existence. In essence, knowing what exists beyond the universe would not just be a scientific discovery, it would transform our worldview, inviting us to embrace the unknown and expand our imagination about what is possible in the universe and beyond. This newfound perspective could encourage an appreciation for the wonders of nature and the delicate balance of life on our planet, reminding us that we are all part of a much larger tapestry of existence. Understanding the boundaries of the universe could have profound implications for physics, reshaping our fundamental concepts of space, time, and matter. If we were to discover the edges of the universe, it would challenge our current understanding of cosmology, which posits that the universe is expanding and may be infinite. This knowledge could lead us to rethink the nature of the universe itself, possibly confirming or contradicting theories like the Big Bang and cosmic inflation. For instance, if the universe has a definite boundary, it raises questions about what lies beyond that boundary. Would there be other universes, or is our universe a unique entity? This could lead to the exploration of multiverse theories, where many universes exist with different physical laws. Such a revelation would require a re-evaluation of our understanding of fundamental forces and constants in physics, as the conditions beyond our universe might not conform to the principles we observe here. Moreover, knowing the boundaries might indicate that the universe has a finite amount of energy and matter, leading to new insights into conservation laws. It could also influence our understanding of black holes, as the relationship between these cosmic phenomena and the edges of the universe could reveal new dynamics of gravity and space-time. For example, if the universe has a boundary, black holes might play a crucial role in how matter and energy interact with that boundary, possibly even influencing the fate of the universe itself. Additionally, this knowledge could affect our understanding of light and other forms of radiation. If the universe has limits, the way light travels and gets absorbed or emitted could be fundamentally different, potentially leading to new technologies in communication and energy. This could inspire novel methods of harnessing energy from the cosmos as we learn to tap into the resources available at or near the universe's boundaries. The implications for physics could extend to the realm of quantum mechanics as well. A defined boundary might influence theories about quantum entanglement and the fabric of space-time, perhaps even suggesting new ways particles interact across vast distances. Such discoveries could push the boundaries of our current technological capabilities, opening doors to advancements that we can only imagine today. In essence, unraveling the mystery of the universe's boundaries would not only reshape our understanding of physics, but could also inspire new philosophies about existence, reality, and our place within the cosmos. This journey of discovery would undoubtedly challenge our intellect and curiosity, propelling us into a deeper exploration of the universe and the fundamental laws that govern it. The mysteries of dark matter and dark energy have puzzled scientists for decades, leading to various theories about the nature of our universe and what lies beyond it. Dark matter, which makes up about 27% of the universe, is invisible and does not emit light or energy, making it incredibly challenging to detect. Its existence is inferred from the gravitational effects it has on visible matter, like galaxies and galaxy clusters. Dark energy, on the other hand, accounts for roughly 68% of the universe and is thought to be responsible for the accelerated expansion of the universe. This leaves only about 5% of the universe composed of ordinary matter, which is what we can see and interact with. As researchers continue to study these enigmatic components, some have proposed that there may be something beyond our universe that could help explain dark matter and dark energy. One idea is that there could be alternate dimensions or parallel universes that interact with ours in ways we do not yet understand. In this scenario, dark matter might not be entirely dark but could be a manifestation of particles or forces from another dimension affecting our own. This could explain why we only observe its gravitational influence without being able to detect it directly. Additionally, the concept of a multiverse suggests that there could be many different universes, each with its own set of physical laws and constants. If our universe is just one of many, it raises the question of whether the properties of dark energy and dark matter are unique to our universe or if they are part of a broader phenomenon that occurs across different universes. Some scientists speculate that understanding how dark energy behaves in other universes could provide insights into why our universe is expanding at an accelerating rate. Moreover, theories such as string theory and quantum gravity attempt to unify the fundamental forces of nature and might offer clues about the underlying structure of the universe and what lies beyond it. These theories propose that the fabric of space-time is more complex than we perceive, and understanding these complexities could lead to a better grasp of dark matter and dark energy. For instance, if there are hidden dimensions or additional forces at play, they could influence the distribution and behavior of dark matter, potentially revealing new ways to study its effects. The search for answers continues, with astronomers and physicists employing advanced technologies and techniques. Observations from telescopes, gravitational wave detectors, and particle colliders are helping to unravel the secrets of the universe. Each new discovery adds a piece to the puzzle, inviting deeper questions about the nature of reality itself. The confirmation of other realms beyond our universe could dramatically alter our scientific theories and understanding of existence. Currently, our scientific framework is largely built around the observable universe, which encompasses everything we can see, measure, and study. If we were to discover that there are additional realms, each with their own unique properties and laws of physics, it would challenge our fundamental concepts of space, time, and reality. For instance, we might need to rethink our theories of gravity, which currently explain how objects interact within our universe. If there are realms where gravity behaves differently, or where different forces are at play, we would have to expand or modify our theories to account for these new interactions. Moreover, the existence of other realms could provide answers to some of the most profound questions in science, such as the nature of dark matter and dark energy, which remain largely mysterious. If these realms interact with our universe in some way, it might shed light on the forces that drive the universe's expansion. This could lead to new models of cosmology that incorporate these realms, potentially revealing a more complex and interconnected multiverse. Additionally, our understanding of life itself could evolve dramatically. If other realms host different forms of life, it would prompt us to broaden our definitions of biology and adaptability, considering how life could thrive under varying conditions, such as different temperatures, atmospheric compositions, or gravitational forces. The implications for fields like quantum physics would also be profound. Current theories, such as the many-worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, suggest that every possible outcome of a quantum event actually occurs in its own separate universe. Confirming the existence of other realms could lend credence to these ideas and lead us to explore even more exotic theories about the nature of reality. Furthermore, the philosophical implications would be vast. We would have to grapple with questions about the nature of existence, consciousness, and our place in a potentially infinite cosmos. This could lead to a new era of inquiry where science and philosophy intersect more closely than ever before. In the realm of practical applications, the existence of other realms could inspire new technologies based on principles that emerge from understanding these dimensions. For example, if we learn to communicate or interact with these realms, it could revolutionize fields such as telecommunications, material science, and energy production, opening doors to innovations we can't yet imagine. Thus, the discovery of realms beyond our universe would not only reshape our scientific theories, but also enrich our understanding of the universe and our role within it, fostering a sense of. The vastness of the universe is a topic that fascinates many, and delving into what lies beyond it can evoke a sense of wonder and curiosity. When we consider the possibility of realms or dimensions that exist beyond our observable universe, it raises intriguing questions about the nature of reality itself. Some cosmologists propose that our universe is just one of many in a larger multiverse, each with its own set of physical laws and constants. If we were to gather evidence of such realms, it could challenge our current understanding and models, prompting scientists to rethink fundamental concepts about space, time, and matter. For instance, the existence of additional dimensions could explain certain phenomena that remain mysterious, like dark matter and dark energy, which are still poorly understood despite being critical to our current cosmological models. On the other hand, if these explorations confirm our existing theories, it could reinforce the models we have, suggesting that our universe operates within a larger framework that we have yet to fully grasp. This interplay between discovery and confirmation can lead to advancements in technology and scientific thought as new tools and methods are developed to probe deeper into the fabric of the cosmos. Furthermore, each new piece of information we uncover, whether it fits within established theories or not, contributes to a richer understanding of the universe and our place within it. As we push the boundaries of knowledge, the journey itself becomes just as important as the destination, inviting both scientists and enthusiasts alike to marvel at the mysteries that lie beyond the stars. While the study of animals and wildlife might seem far removed from the field of astronomy, there are fascinating connections that can be drawn between the two. For instance, researchers are increasingly recognizing the importance of observational skills used in studying animal behavior, which can parallel methods employed in astronomy. Just as wildlife biologists carefully observe animal patterns and interactions to understand ecosystems, astronomers observe celestial phenomena to learn about the universe. The techniques for gathering data in both fields often rely on keen observation and the ability to notice subtle changes over time, whether it's the migration patterns of birds or the movement of distant stars. Moreover, the technology developed for studying wildlife has found surprising applications in astronomy. For example, motion-sensing cameras used to track animal movements can be adapted to monitor celestial events like meteor showers or the movement of asteroids. This cross-pollination of ideas and tools can enhance our understanding of both wildlife and the cosmos. Additionally, both fields rely on citizen science, where individuals contribute to data collection. Just as nature enthusiasts help track bird populations or monitor wildlife, amateur astronomers contribute to large-scale observational projects, such as spotting new comets or recording the brightness of variable stars. This collaboration not only enriches the data available to scientists, but also fosters a greater appreciation for nature and the universe among the general public. Furthermore, the study of ecosystems and the delicate balance of life can inform our understanding of planetary health and the search for extraterrestrial life. By understanding how life thrives on Earth, scientists can better hypothesize about the conditions necessary for life elsewhere in the universe, guiding their searches for habitable exoplanets. This connection highlights how studying the behavior of animals and their habitats can lead to insights about life beyond our planet. In this way, the knowledge gained from wildlife studies can significantly affect astronomy, leading to new methods of inquiry and enhancing our understanding of the universe. Both fields, though seemingly distinct, share a common thread of observation, collaboration, and inquiry that can lead to groundbreaking discoveries. By learning from the natural world, astronomers can refine their techniques and broaden their perspectives, ultimately deepening our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. Philosophical perspectives on existence have long been shaped by our understanding of the universe and our place within it. If we were to uncover what lies beyond the universe, it could fundamentally alter these perspectives in profound ways. For instance, many philosophical views are rooted in the idea that our existence is tied to the physical universe, with theories suggesting that consciousness arises from interactions within the material world. However, if there were to be a discovery of something beyond the universe, perhaps another realm, different dimensions, or even a multiverse containing various forms of reality, this could lead to a reevaluation of the nature of existence itself. Some thinkers argue that existence is a construct that depends heavily on human perception and experience. If we were to learn that there is more than what we can physically observe, this could suggest that our understanding of reality is limited, possibly leading to the idea that existence transcends our current comprehension. This could spark new philosophical inquiries about the nature of consciousness, suggesting that it may not be solely a product of biological processes, but could also be influenced or connected to something greater outside our universe. Moreover, the implications of such a discovery could challenge the notion of individuality. If existence extends beyond our universe, then the idea of a singular, isolated self might be questioned. Philosophers might explore concepts of interconnectedness on a cosmic scale, leading to discussions about the implications of being part of a larger existence that includes experiences and consciousness beyond what we currently know. This could foster a more holistic view of life, blending ideas from both science and spirituality, and encouraging people to consider their role in a broader, perhaps infinite tapestry of existence. Additionally, the ethical considerations surrounding life and existence could transform. If there are other forms of life or consciousness beyond the universe, it could inspire a more expansive view of morality, as individuals and societies might feel a responsibility not just to each other, but to all beings across different realms. This could shift the focus of philosophical discourse from anthropocentrism, where humans are seen as the central or most important entities in the universe, to a more inclusive approach that recognizes the value of all forms of existence. In essence, understanding what lies beyond the universe could open up new avenues for philosophical exploration, prompting us to rethink fundamental questions about existence, consciousness, and our ethical obligations in a potentially vast and interconnected reality. The pursuit of knowledge about the cosmos has always driven humanity to question and redefine our understanding of life, and the discovery of what lies beyond could be. As we explore the fascinating world of animals and wildlife, it's intriguing to consider how different cultures and belief systems interpret creation and existence, particularly in light of new scientific understandings. Many religious traditions have long held creation stories that explain how the world and its inhabitants came to be. For instance, in various faiths, animals are often viewed as part of a divine plan, serving specific roles in the ecosystem or holding symbolic significance. However, with the advent of modern science, including evolutionary biology and ecology, these interpretations may evolve to accommodate new discoveries about the interconnectedness of life. For example, some religious groups have begun to reconcile their creation stories with a scientific understanding of evolution, viewing the process as a means by which a divine power brings about life in all its forms. This can lead to a more nuanced appreciation of biodiversity, recognizing that the complexity of animal behavior, such as migration patterns, hunting strategies, and social structures, reflects a sophisticated system that has developed over millions of years. Such an approach may enable believers to see the hand of the Creator not just in the existence of animals, but in their adaptation and survival strategies, illustrating a dynamic creation rather than a static one. Moreover, the increasing awareness of environmental issues and the need for conservation can also prompt religious interpretations to shift. Many faiths emphasize stewardship of the earth, which aligns well with the scientific understanding of ecosystems and the critical roles different species play in maintaining balance. This can inspire communities to engage in conservation efforts, seeing it as a moral obligation to protect the creatures they believe were created with purpose. In this way, religious beliefs can inspire action in response to scientific findings about wildlife and habitat loss, encouraging a deeper connection to the natural world. Additionally, as more people become aware of the impacts of climate change on wildlife, religious narratives might adapt to address these challenges. Many religious leaders might emphasize the importance of caring for creation, which can involve educating their followers about the plight of endangered species and the importance of biodiversity. This ongoing dialogue between faith and science can foster a greater appreciation for the complexities of animal life and the ecosystems they inhabit, encouraging a sense of wonder and responsibility among believers. Ultimately, as scientific knowledge continues to expand, religious interpretations of creation and existence can embrace these insights, leading to a richer understanding of the natural world. This evolving perspective not only enhances the spiritual connection to animals and nature, but also promotes a collaborative effort to safeguard the future of wildlife, creating a bridge between faith, science, and the urgent need for environmental. Exploring beyond the universe is a fascinating idea that captures the imagination of many, especially those interested in the mysteries of space and the potential for discovering new realms of existence. To embark on such an ambitious journey, we would need advanced technology that goes far beyond what we currently have. First, we would require incredibly powerful telescopes capable of detecting light and signals from distant galaxies and possibly other universes. These telescopes would need to be equipped with advanced sensors and adaptive optics to improve their ability to capture faint signals from the cosmos, allowing scientists to gather data on cosmic phenomena that we can't yet comprehend. In addition to powerful observation tools, we would also need spacecraft designed for long-duration travel through space. These vessels would have to be equipped with propulsion systems that exceed our current rocket technology. Concepts like ion propulsion or even theoretical ideas such as warp drives or wormholes could be explored, enabling us to traverse vast distances in a fraction of the time it would take conventional spacecraft. Energy sources would also need to be rethought. Harnessing energy from nuclear fusion or harnessing solar energy on a massive scale could provide the necessary power for these journeys. Communication technology would be crucial as well. Exploring beyond the universe would require reliable methods to send and receive data over incredibly long distances. Quantum communication might offer a solution, allowing us to transmit information instantaneously, regardless of distance. This technology would ensure that scientists on Earth could receive data from explorers far beyond our galaxy, creating a continuous flow of information that could enhance our understanding of the universe and its structure. Moreover, life support systems would need to be developed to keep astronauts safe and healthy during long missions. This includes recycling systems for air and water, advanced nutrition systems, and possibly even artificial gravity to counteract the effects of prolonged weightlessness. To ensure the well-being of explorers, habitats would have to be constructed to mimic Earth-like conditions, providing a safe and comfortable environment for extended periods. Artificial intelligence would play a significant role in these explorations as well, managing complex systems on board the spacecraft and helping to analyze data collected during the journey. AI could assist in navigating the vastness of space, making real-time decisions based on the conditions encountered, and even handling emergencies, which is critical when traveling beyond the known universe. Finally, a deep understanding of physics and cosmology would be essential. Researchers would need to develop new theories and models to predict what lies beyond our universe, guiding the technological developments in mission planning. This would involve collaboration among scientists. Exploring the concept of gravity can be fascinating, especially when we consider what might happen if we encountered different physical laws beyond our universe. Gravity, as we understand it, is a fundamental force that pulls objects toward one another, and it plays a crucial role in the structure of galaxies, the orbits of planets, and even the formation of stars. If we were to discover other physical laws outside our own universe, it could completely change our understanding of gravity. For instance, if these new laws suggested that gravity behaves differently, we might find that the force attracts objects in unexpected ways or doesn't operate as we currently think. Imagine a universe where gravity is not a constant force but varies depending on the distance between objects or their mass. This could lead to new ways of thinking about how celestial bodies interact, possibly allowing for structures that we cannot even imagine with our current understanding. Additionally, if these laws introduced new forces that interact with gravity, our models of astrophysics would need a complete overhaul, leading to radical new theories about the formation of galaxies and the evolution of the cosmos. Such discoveries might also influence our understanding of time and space, suggesting that gravity could be more than just a force but perhaps an influence that shapes the very fabric of reality itself. Furthermore, encountering different laws might also mean that the behavior of light, energy, and matter is altered in ways that could lead to phenomena that we have never observed. We could find that black holes behave differently, or that the expansion of the universe is influenced by forces we haven't yet detected. This exploration opens up a realm of possibilities, inviting scientists to rethink what we know about the universe and our place within it. The implications could touch upon everything from the fundamental nature of reality to practical applications in technology and energy. As we probe deeper into these ideas, we realize that our current understanding is just the beginning, and the mysteries of gravity may lead us to new, uncharted territories in science and philosophy. The concept of life existing in realms beyond our universe opens up a fascinating realm of possibilities for anyone curious about the diversity of life. Imagine a universe that is not limited to what we see around us. Instead, think of countless dimensions and realities, each with its own set of physical laws, environments, and potential life forms. In these alternate realms, life could take on forms that are entirely different from what we recognize on Earth. For instance, while we know life relies on carbon-based chemistry, life in another dimension might be based on silicon or even entirely different elements, enabling organisms to thrive in conditions that seem hostile to us. The environments in these hypothetical realms could also significantly shape the nature of life. Picture a dimension where gravity is much weaker than our own. In such a realm, life forms might evolve to be much larger or more ethereal, floating gracefully in the atmosphere, perhaps resembling jellyfish or large balloon-like creatures, drifting through the skies on gentle currents. Conversely, in a realm with extreme gravity, life might be small and incredibly dense, adapted to survive and thrive under immense pressure, leading to creatures that are compact and sturdy, perhaps akin to deep-sea organisms on Earth. Moreover, the sensory perceptions of these life forms could be vastly different. On Earth, many animals rely on sight, sound, and smell, but in a realm where different physical laws prevail, life might evolve to communicate through vibrations or electromagnetic fields, making their interactions nearly unrecognizable to us. Imagine creatures that can detect changes in their environment through subtle shifts in energy, allowing them to interact with one another and their surroundings in ways that go beyond our understanding. Additionally, the concept of time might differ in these other realms. If time flows at different rates or is experienced in non-linear ways, life forms could develop entirely unique concepts of existence, perhaps perceiving their life cycles and interactions in a manner that feels foreign to us. This could lead to entities that exist in a constant state of change or transformation, where the idea of a fixed identity is irrelevant. Furthermore, the evolutionary paths of life in these alternate realms could reflect their environments. For example, if a realm had an abundance of light, life might develop reflective surfaces that help them blend in seamlessly, while in darker realms, organisms might evolve bioluminescence, using light as a means of communication or navigation. In contrast, in realms with harsh conditions, life forms could develop protective shells or exoskeletons similar to. When we think about what might exist beyond the universe, several ethical considerations come to mind, especially in relation to how we understand our place in the cosmos and our responsibilities toward other forms of life, if they exist. Imagine discovering intelligent life beyond our planet. This could raise questions about how we treat these beings. Would we have the moral obligation to protect them, just as we strive to protect endangered species on Earth? The idea of sentient life beyond our own could lead to debates around rights and the ethical treatment of these beings, pushing us to consider their needs, desires, and cultures. Furthermore, understanding what exists beyond our universe could challenge our views on biodiversity and conservation. If there are ecosystems or life forms beyond our current understanding, it may highlight the fragility of our own planet's ecosystems. This awareness could drive us to be more conscientious about our environmental practices, realizing that our actions on Earth could impact other realms. The discovery of other life forms could also lead to the need for interstellar conservation efforts, prompting us to think about how we would protect these entities from exploitation or harm. Moreover, there are implications for human behavior and our societal values. The realization that we are not alone in the universe might inspire a sense of unity among humanity, pushing us to come together to advocate for peace and cooperation rather than conflict. This could encourage a shift in priorities toward global issues like climate change and poverty, as we recognize our shared responsibility not only to our fellow humans but potentially to other life forms as well. On the other hand, knowing what exists beyond the universe could also lead to ethical dilemmas related to exploration and colonization. If we were to discover habitable worlds, would we have the right to settle there, and what impact would our presence have on any existing ecosystems? This echoes historical events on Earth, where the arrival of one civilization has drastically altered the lives and lands of native peoples and wildlife. The ethical implications of such actions would need careful consideration, as they remind us of the importance of respecting the autonomy and integrity of other beings, whether they are terrestrial or extraterrestrial. Finally, if we were to learn about advanced civilizations, it might evoke a sense of responsibility to communicate with them or even engage in a form of diplomacy. This raises questions about how we would represent humanity and what values we would bring to the table. The potential for conflict or misunderstanding could lead to significant consequences, underscoring the need for a thoughtful approach based on mutual respect and understanding. The vastness of the universe and the mysteries it holds have long been a source of inspiration for human culture and art. As we gaze into the night sky, we often ponder what exists beyond our planet, leading to a deep fascination that transcends time and place. This curiosity has influenced various forms of artistic expression, from ancient cave paintings depicting celestial bodies to modern digital art that explores the concept of space travel and alien life. Artists channel their wonder and imagination into their work, often using the universe as a backdrop for storytelling, symbolism, and exploration of the unknown. For example, the mesmerizing patterns of galaxies and the vibrant colors of nebulae have inspired countless painters, sculptors, and digital creators to mimic these cosmic phenomena in their art, creating a connection between the viewer and the universe. Moreover, literature has seen a significant impact from our understanding of the cosmos. Writers often incorporate themes of space exploration, extraterrestrial life, and the philosophical implications of our existence in the universe, which resonate with readers' desires to comprehend their place in the grand scheme of things. Think of classic science fiction works that challenge our understanding of reality and morality, revealing how our views of the universe can shape our societal values and beliefs. The knowledge of what lies beyond also prompts reflections on human existence, encouraging a sense of unity among people as we all share the same planet, revolving in the same cosmic dance. Music, too, has been influenced by the universe. Composers create symphonies that evoke the sounds of space or the feelings of awe inspired by the stars. The rhythms and melodies can mirror the movement of celestial bodies, transporting listeners to a realm beyond their everyday experiences. In this way, the cosmos becomes a source of creativity that unites various forms of art, allowing artists to express their interpretations of the universe's beauty, mystery, and vastness. Furthermore, human culture is shaped by the stories we tell about the universe. Myths and legends from different cultures often feature celestial beings, constellations, and cosmic events that reflect the values and beliefs of those societies. These narratives create a shared understanding and connection among people, bridging gaps between cultures and time periods. The exploration of space and the quest for knowledge about our universe not only influences artistic expression, but also encourages collaboration and dialogue across different fields, from science to philosophy and beyond. In this way, the knowledge of what lies beyond the universe serves as a powerful catalyst for creativity and cultural evolution, inspiring generations to look up, wonder. Imagine standing in a vast, endless expanse where countless worlds exist, each with its own unique forms of life, ecosystems, and environments. The idea of multiple universes or dimensions opens up a realm of possibilities that could change everything we understand about existence. For instance, consider a universe where animals have developed entirely different abilities or characteristics. What if there was a dimension where elephants not only roamed the savannas but could also glide through the air, using their large ears to float gracefully like balloons? This could spark new ideas about adaptability and evolution, challenging our current perspective on how species survive and thrive in their environments. In another universe, imagine a world where the oceans are filled with bioluminescent creatures that communicate through light patterns, creating a mesmerizing underwater ballet. This could lead us to rethink the ways animals communicate and interact, highlighting the importance of sensory experiences that go beyond our limited understanding. If we were to discover such dimensions, our appreciation for the complexity of life would deepen, showing us that intelligence and survival strategies can vary dramatically across different realities. Furthermore, think about how ecosystems might differ in these other universes. A forest could be inhabited by creatures that blend seamlessly into their surroundings, not just through camouflage, but by changing their physical form entirely based on their environment. This could revolutionize our ideas of adaptation and evolution, pushing us to consider the endless possibilities of how life could manifest. Every time we learn about a new species on Earth, it reminds us that nature is full of surprises, but the existence of multiple universes would amplify that wonder exponentially. If we encounter intelligent life in another universe, the way we perceive our own species might also shift. For example, discovering beings that communicate through colors or scents rather than sound could lead us to reevaluate our definitions of intelligence and social structures. This could inspire significant advancements in how we study animal behavior on Earth, as we begin to appreciate the multitude of ways life can express itself. Ultimately, the discovery of multiple universes could not only expand our understanding of the animal kingdom, but also encourage us to protect and preserve the diverse forms of life we have here. As we learn about potential life forms elsewhere, we might become more aware of the fragility of our own ecosystems and the importance of biodiversity. The interconnectedness of all living beings, whether in our universe or another, would reinforce the idea that every species plays a vital role in the broader tapestry of life. Such realizations could inspire a deeper respect for. As we explore the vastness of the universe, the idea of communicating with entities beyond our own world sparks both excitement and concern. The potential consequences for humanity if we attempt such communication are multifaceted and could lead to various outcomes, some of which may be beneficial while others could pose significant challenges. Firstly, establishing contact with extraterrestrial beings could lead to a wealth of new knowledge about the universe, advanced technologies, and possibly even new forms of life. This exchange of information might revolutionize our understanding of science and medicine, helping us solve pressing issues like disease and climate change. However, the risks associated with making ourselves known to unknown entities cannot be overlooked. There is a possibility that such communication could attract hostile forces or beings that may not have our best interests at heart, leading to conflict or even existential threats. Moreover, the psychological impact on humanity could be profound. The realization that we are not alone in the universe might challenge our perceptions of ourselves and our place in it. Some might experience a sense of unity, feeling connected to a larger cosmic community, while others could face existential dread or fear over what these beings might want from us. Additionally, there are ethical considerations to ponder. If we were to engage in communication, we would need to think about how we would represent humanity as a whole, taking into account our diverse cultures, languages, and beliefs. This raises questions about who gets to speak for humanity and how we would convey our values and intentions. Furthermore, the implications of such contact could affect our social structures and governance, as people might react differently to the knowledge of other intelligent beings. Would we come together as a species, or would divisions deepen? The economic consequences could also be significant, as advancements or disruptions brought about by this contact could reshape industries and job markets. In this intricate web of possibilities lies the potential for both enlightenment and peril, emphasizing the need for careful consideration and preparation as we venture into the unknown realms of communication beyond our own planet. The journey toward understanding what lies beyond our cosmic neighborhood is fraught with challenges, yet it also offers a tantalizing glimpse into a future where humanity may not only survive, but thrive in a broader galactic context. The study of animals and their behaviors on Earth can provide intriguing insights into the search for extraterrestrial life. Scientists often look to the diverse adaptations and survival strategies of Earth's creatures as a model for what life might be like elsewhere in the universe. For example, extremophiles, organisms found in extreme environments such as deep-sea hydrothermal vents or the frozen tundra, demonstrate that life can thrive in conditions previously thought to be uninhabitable. By understanding how these organisms survive, researchers can broaden their criteria for what constitutes a habitable environment on other planets. This knowledge helps in identifying celestial bodies that may harbor life, such as the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, where subsurface oceans could support life forms similar to those we see on Earth. Moreover, animal communication and social structures offer a fascinating lens through which to view potential alien societies. Many animals, from dolphins to bees, exhibit complex communication methods and social interactions. These behaviors can inspire hypotheses about how intelligent life might organize itself, communicate, and interact with its environment. When scientists consider the possibility of extraterrestrial civilizations, they often draw parallels to these animal societies, contemplating how different forms of life might develop their own unique ways of conveying information and forming communities. The exploration of animal intelligence also plays a critical role in this search. The wide range of cognitive abilities found in the animal kingdom, from problem-solving crows to the tool-using chimpanzees, suggests that intelligence can manifest in diverse ways. This variability encourages scientists to remain open-minded about the forms intelligence might take on other planets. For instance, if we encounter life forms that are fundamentally different from us, perhaps based on silicon rather than carbon, or utilizing entirely different sensory modalities, we can better appreciate their potential intelligence and capabilities. Additionally, the impact of ecosystems and food webs on life is another important consideration when searching for extraterrestrial life. On Earth, animals play specific roles within their ecosystems, influencing everything from plant growth to nutrient cycling. Understanding these relationships can guide scientists in predicting what kinds of life might evolve on other planets, based on the available resources and environmental conditions. For example, if a planet has abundant water and a stable climate, it might support a rich diversity of life forms, much like Earth's rainforests. Furthermore, animal adaptations to climate change also provide critical lessons for understanding how life might survive on other planets that experience extreme environmental changes. Species that can migrate, hibernate, or develop resistance to temperature fluctuations offer models for. Understanding what lies beyond the universe is a fascinating concept that has intrigued scientists and thinkers for centuries. While the universe, as we know it, is vast and filled with countless galaxies, stars, and planets, there remains a significant mystery about what exists beyond its edges. This question not only touches on the fundamental nature of existence, but also opens the door to numerous scientific inquiries and potential breakthroughs. As researchers delve deeper into cosmology, they are starting to explore ideas like the multiverse theory, which suggests that our universe might be just one of many, each with its own physical laws and constants. If proven, this theory could revolutionize our understanding of physics, offering explanations for phenomena that currently puzzle scientists, such as dark matter and dark energy. Moreover, by investigating the cosmic microwave background radiation, which is a remnant of the Big Bang, scientists can glean insights about the early universe and potentially uncover clues about what lies outside it. The pursuit of knowledge about the universe's boundaries could also lead to advancements in technology. For instance, the tools and methods developed for studying distant galaxies and cosmic phenomena often have applications beyond astronomy. Innovations in observational technology, like powerful telescopes and space probes, can enhance other scientific fields, including medicine and environmental science. Furthermore, understanding the fundamental forces and particles that govern our universe could lead to breakthroughs in quantum mechanics, which may have implications for computing, energy production, and even material science. Additionally, exploring the idea of what lies beyond the universe could inspire new philosophical and ethical discussions about humanity's place in the cosmos. This exploration encourages a sense of curiosity and wonder, potentially leading to greater public interest in science. As people engage with these concepts, they may be more inclined to support scientific research and education, fostering a culture that values inquiry and discovery. Thus, the quest to understand what exists beyond our universe may not only expand our scientific horizons, but also enrich our collective human experience, driving innovation and creativity across various disciplines. In this context, the interplay between scientific exploration and human understanding becomes crucial. As we push the boundaries of knowledge, the potential for new discoveries grows, ultimately shaping the future of science and technology. So, while the mysteries of the universe may seem distant and abstract, they hold the key to unlocking new realms of understanding that could profoundly impact our world and the way we perceive our existence. Imagination and creativity are powerful tools that allow us to explore concepts beyond our current understanding, especially when considering what exists beyond the universe. When we look at the vastness of space, our minds often wander to the possibilities that lie beyond the observable universe. This is where imagination takes center stage. It enables us to visualize scenarios that science has yet to confirm or explore, such as alternate dimensions, parallel universes, or even the existence of life forms that differ immensely from what we know. For instance, the idea of a multiverse, where countless universes exist alongside our own, pushes the boundaries of our thinking. Imagination helps us to picture these realms, each with its own unique laws of physics and forms of life. Creativity allows writers, artists, and scientists to express these ideas in ways that can inspire others. When an artist paints a vibrant scene of an alien world, or a writer crafts a narrative about beings from another universe, they are using their imagination to give shape to ideas that are otherwise abstract and difficult to grasp. Furthermore, when we consider the concept of wormholes, which some scientists theorize might connect different parts of the universe or even different universes altogether, it is our imagination that fills in the gaps. We can envision what traveling through a wormhole might be like, how time and space could behave differently, and what wonders we might encounter. This creative exploration is essential for scientific advancement. It encourages researchers to think outside the conventional limits of current knowledge, to hypothesize, and to experiment with ideas that may initially seem far-fetched. Imagination also plays a role in how we perceive the universe itself. As humans, we have always looked to the stars and wondered about our place in the cosmos. This curiosity fuels our desire to learn and discover more about the world around us, leading to scientific inquiries and technological advancements. Through creativity, we can create models and simulations that depict what we theorize exists beyond our immediate perception. These artistic interpretations can make complex scientific ideas more accessible and engaging, sparking interest and curiosity in audiences of all ages. In the realm of speculative fiction, writers often blend scientific theories with imaginative storytelling, creating narratives that allow readers to explore these intriguing concepts. This not only entertains but also educates, as readers ponder the implications of new ideas and theories. By weaving together fact and fantasy, creativity opens new doors for understanding and exploration, turning abstract scientific concepts into vivid stories that resonate with our innate curiosity. Additionally, the exploration. Imagine a world where time is not just a straight line, but a vast, tangled web, intricately woven with countless realities existing beyond our universe. In such a scenario, the way we experience time could vary dramatically from one reality to another. In our familiar experience, time feels like a constant flow. Seconds turn into minutes, minutes into hours, and hours into days. However, in a reality where infinite possibilities exist, time could behave in unique and unexpected ways. For instance, in one reality, time might move very slowly, allowing creatures to experience life in a more deliberate manner, savoring each moment, while in another reality, time could rush by, making experiences fleeting and intense. Imagine a realm where time loops back on itself, so a moment could be relived over and over, or perhaps a reality where time stands still, giving creatures the chance to pause and reflect without the pressure of moving forward. Additionally, consider how different forms of life might adapt to these varying perceptions of time. Animals in a slower time reality could develop a different pace of life, perhaps evolving to be more thoughtful and cautious, while those in a fast-paced reality might thrive on quick reflexes and rapid decision-making. This could lead to fascinating adaptations, such as animals with heightened senses to detect changes in their environment within a fleeting time frame, or species that develop longer lifespans to make the most of their drawn-out moments. Moreover, the social structures of these beings could also shift based on their perception of time. In a world where time is cyclical, communities might emphasize tradition and history, valuing the lessons of the past, whereas in a linear time reality, there could be a stronger focus on progress and innovation, driving creatures to constantly seek new experiences and advancements. In this intricate tapestry of time perception across different realities, the concept of memory could also change. In some realities, memories might fade quickly, leading to a culture of storytelling to preserve experiences, while in others, memories could be vivid and long-lasting, shaping the identity of individuals and their communities. As we ponder these infinite possibilities, it becomes clear that our understanding of time is just one perspective among many, shaped by the unique circumstances of each reality. The exploration of how life might adapt to these different perceptions of time opens up a realm of imagination, inviting us to consider not just how we experience time, but how it could shape the very essence of life itself in the vast universe beyond our own. Imagine a world where the vastness of space was not just a mystery, but a known frontier, rich with possibilities and dangers. If humanity had prior knowledge of what lies beyond our planet, significant historical events could have taken on entirely different paths. For instance, during the Age of Exploration, when explorers set sail in search of new lands, they might have viewed their journeys not just as quests for riches, but as steps toward understanding a larger cosmic neighborhood. Instead of solely focusing on earthly resources, they could have sought alliances with potential alien civilizations, leading to a far more collaborative approach to exploration and trade. In the realm of science, the Enlightenment period might have seen a swift acceleration in technological advancement. With knowledge of extraterrestrial life and advanced civilizations, scientists could have been inspired to develop innovative technologies much earlier. The Industrial Revolution could have been fueled by an influx of ideas and inventions shared by otherworldly beings, possibly leading to cleaner energy sources and sustainable practices that we are only now beginning to understand. The conversation around climate change would have sparked much earlier, as humanity would have recognized the importance of maintaining not just Earth, but the broader cosmic environment. Moreover, the political landscape could have shifted dramatically. The Cold War, which was marked by tension between superpowers on Earth, might have taken a different turn. If nations had realized that they were part of a larger cosmic community, they may have prioritized cooperation over competition. The fear of an alien threat could have united countries, fostering a spirit of collaboration instead of division. This unity could have led to shared resources, joint space missions, and a more peaceful world, as countries focused on the greater good rather than their own interests. Culturally, the arts and literature would have thrived under the influence of a known universe filled with possibilities. Writers and artists could have drawn inspiration from the idea of extraterrestrial life, creating works that explored themes of connection, diversity, and the vastness of existence. This might have resulted in a more open-minded society where people embraced the unknown instead of fearing it. The exploration of the universe could have become a central theme in education, shaping the way children learned about science, history, and the interconnectedness of all life. Religions might have also evolved differently, as faiths could have incorporated the existence of other life forms into their teachings. New philosophies could have emerged, encouraging a broader understanding of humanity's place in the universe. This could have fostered a sense of humility and responsibility. The concept of the multiverse suggests that our universe is just one of many, possibly infinite, universes that exist simultaneously. This idea has fascinated scientists and philosophers alike, raising questions about the nature of reality and our place within it. If new evidence were discovered that indicates the existence of other universes, it could significantly enhance the credibility of the multiverse theory. For example, imagine if researchers found a way to detect signals or anomalies in the cosmic background radiation that point to the influence of other universes. Such findings could revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos, suggesting that the laws of physics might not be the same in every universe, leading to various forms of matter, energy, and perhaps even life. Furthermore, advancements in quantum physics have already introduced ideas that challenge our traditional understanding of reality. Concepts like superposition and entanglement hint at the possibility that multiple states can exist simultaneously, echoing the principles behind the multiverse. If experiments could demonstrate that particles behave differently when influenced by other universes, it might provide a tangible connection to the idea of parallel worlds. The implications of such evidence could be profound, opening up discussions about alternate realities where different versions of ourselves might exist, each making different choices and leading different lives. Moreover, the exploration of dark matter and dark energy could also play a role in validating the multiverse theory. If scientists uncover connections between dark matter's behavior and the existence of other universes, it could lend credence to the idea that our universe is just a small piece of a much larger puzzle. This could lead to exciting new theories that attempt to explain why our universe has the specific properties it does, while others might have entirely different characteristics. In addition to scientific evidence, philosophical implications would also emerge. The idea that there are countless versions of reality could reshape our understanding of existence itself. People might start to ponder questions about fate, free will, and the nature of consciousness in a multiverse context. If we are just one of many, what makes our experiences unique? This could lead to a deeper exploration of identity and purpose. As we continue to explore the universe and push the boundaries of our knowledge, the multiverse theory remains an intriguing possibility. The search for evidence beyond our own universe is not just about understanding the cosmos, it is also about understanding ourselves and the infinite possibilities that lie within the fabric of reality. If new evidence emerges, the concept of the multiverse could transition from a speculative theory to a credible explanation of the universe. Imagine a reality where black holes are not just mysterious voids in space, but gateways to other realms, perhaps even different dimensions. This idea might sound like something straight out of a science fiction novel, but it opens up fascinating possibilities for our understanding of the universe. If scientists were to discover that black holes serve as portals to other realms, it would revolutionize our comprehension of space, time, and the fundamental laws of physics. We already know that black holes possess immense gravitational pull, so strong that not even light can escape from them, which leads to their enigmatic nature. If they truly are gateways, this would imply that the fabric of the universe is interconnected in ways we cannot currently perceive. It would suggest that when matter falls into a black hole, it doesn't simply disappear. Instead, it could be transported to another universe or dimension altogether. This idea raises questions about what these other realms could be like. Are they entirely different versions of our universe, or do they follow different physical laws? Such revelations could lead to a rethinking of concepts like time and space, challenging our existing theories, and perhaps even suggesting that our universe is just one of many. Furthermore, if we could somehow explore these realms, it might allow us to witness phenomena and life forms that are unimaginable within our current understanding of biology and physics. This could transform our ideas about existence and the nature of life itself, pushing the boundaries of what we deem possible. The scientific implications would be profound, potentially leading to new technologies or methods of travel that we have not yet conceived. Moreover, this concept might bridge gaps between various fields of study, merging astrophysics with philosophy and even spirituality. If black holes connect us to other realities, it could provoke deeper questions about our place in the cosmos and the very nature of consciousness. This holistic perspective could inspire a new generation of scientists and thinkers to explore these mysteries, fostering curiosity and innovation in ways we haven't seen before. In summary, the idea that black holes are gateways to other realms could dramatically alter our understanding of the universe, expanding the horizons of knowledge and imagination as we venture into the unknown. The implications for quantum physics would be profound if we discovered a connection to realms beyond our universe. First, it could revolutionize our understanding of reality itself. Currently, quantum physics describes how particles behave at the smallest scales, revealing a world where particles can exist in multiple states at once and where actions can appear to be instantaneous over vast distances. If we found a link to other realms, it might suggest that our universe is just one of many, potentially altering our concepts of space and time. This could lead to new theories that extend beyond the traditional frameworks, encouraging scientists to explore uncharted territories of physics. Moreover, such a discovery could also bridge gaps between quantum mechanics and general relativity, two pillars of modern physics that currently do not fully align. If connections to other realms exist, they may provide insights into how gravity operates at quantum levels, possibly revealing new unifying principles. This could even lead to the development of new technologies, as understanding these connections might allow us to manipulate energy and matter in ways we have yet to imagine. Additionally, the existence of realms beyond our universe could challenge our understanding of consciousness and perception. If these realms interact with our own, it might suggest that consciousness is not merely a product of our brains, but rather connected to a larger, more complex reality. This could open up philosophical debates about the nature of existence, perception, and what it means to be conscious. Furthermore, the implications could extend to how we understand the fundamental forces of nature. Discovering links to other realms might suggest the existence of new forces or dimensions, potentially leading to groundbreaking insights about how our universe is structured. This could also have practical applications in fields like quantum computing and cryptography, where understanding and harnessing these connections could lead to advancements in technology that we cannot yet envision. Lastly, the idea of realms beyond our universe could ignite a new wave of exploration and curiosity in the scientific community. It might inspire new experiments and theories as researchers seek to probe these additional dimensions or realms. The quest for knowledge could bring together physicists, mathematicians, and philosophers in ways that have not been seen before, fostering a spirit of collaboration and discovery that transcends traditional boundaries. In essence, the implications of discovering a connection to realms beyond our universe would not only reshape the landscape of quantum physics, but could also redefine our place in the cosmos and our understanding of existence itself. The Big Bang Theory explains the origin of our universe, suggesting that it began as an incredibly hot and dense point around 13.8 billion years ago and has been expanding ever since. But what if we could learn more about what lies beyond our universe? This knowledge could change everything we think we know about the Big Bang. For instance, if there are other universes, often referred to as a multiverse, it raises questions about whether our universe is just one of many, each with its own Big Bang. Understanding these other universes could help scientists determine if the laws of physics are the same everywhere or if they vary from one universe to another. Moreover, if we discover that our universe is just a bubble in a larger cosmic foam, this could lead to new theories about the nature of space and time. The idea that our universe is expanding might take on a new meaning. Instead of simply expanding into empty space, it could be expanding within a larger structure, perhaps filled with other bubbles or dimensions. This would fundamentally alter our understanding of the universe's boundaries and could imply that the Big Bang was not a unique event, but part of a larger cycle or process that occurs in this vast cosmic landscape. Additionally, if we were to find evidence of other forms of matter or energy that lie beyond the observable universe, it could give clues about the conditions that existed during the Big Bang. For example, if dark matter or dark energy behaves differently beyond our universe, it could suggest that the forces we see operating in our universe are just a small part of a more complex reality. This could lead to new physics, offering insights that could refine or even rewrite parts of the Big Bang Theory. Furthermore, if we could somehow communicate or interact with these other realms, it might provide direct evidence of phenomena that occurred in the early universe. This would not only enhance our understanding of cosmic history, but also shift our perspective on the very nature of existence itself. Such discoveries could inspire a new generation of scientists to explore the fundamental questions about why the universe exists and what came before the Big Bang. In essence, the more we learn about what lies beyond our universe, the more we can challenge and expand our current understanding of the Big Bang. Each new piece of information could unravel deeper mysteries about the cosmos, prompting us to rethink our place in it and the nature of reality itself. Exploring beyond the boundaries of our universe might sound like a fascinating adventure, but it brings with it a host of potential dangers that could affect not just our understanding of the cosmos, but also our very existence. One major concern is the possibility of encountering unknown cosmic phenomena. As we venture beyond the familiar, we could come across dark matter or dark energy in ways we never anticipated, potentially leading to catastrophic results. These substances are still largely a mystery to scientists, and their effects on matter and energy are not fully understood. If we were to interact with or disturb these forces, it could lead to unpredictable consequences, perhaps altering the structure of spacetime itself. Moreover, the concept of parallel universes adds another layer of complexity and risk. The multiverse theory suggests that there are countless universes, each with different laws of physics. If we were to somehow breach the boundary between our universe and another, we might find ourselves in a realm where the fundamental forces of nature behave differently. This could be dangerous, For instance, if gravity were weaker, objects could drift away into the void, or if the speed of light were altered, communication and travel could become impossible. There is also the risk of encountering extraterrestrial life forms, which could range from microbial organisms to advanced civilizations. While the discovery of life beyond Earth would be monumental, it could also pose significant risks. If we were to come into contact with alien species, we could be exposed to pathogens or substances that our immune systems are not equipped to handle. Conversely, if we were to enter a region inhabited by hostile intelligent beings, it could lead to conflicts that we are ill-prepared to face. Another danger lies in the technology we might use to explore these vast unknowns. Advanced space travel technology could malfunction or be inadequate for the challenges posed by the extreme conditions of the cosmos beyond our universe. If a spacecraft were to break down or become trapped in a region of space that defies our understanding, it could leave explorers stranded with no means of returning home. Furthermore, the psychological effects of such a journey cannot be overlooked. The vastness of space and the isolation of being far beyond familiar territory could lead to feelings of despair and loneliness. The unknown can be terrifying, and the mental strain on explorers could affect their judgment and decision-making abilities, potentially leading to mistakes that could jeopardize their mission and safety. Ultimately, while the idea of exploring beyond the boundaries of our universe is enticing, it is crucial to consider the myriad dangers. New discoveries about animal behaviors and ecosystems have the potential to significantly alter our approach to environmental issues on Earth. For instance, learning how certain species adapt to climate change can guide us in creating more effective conservation strategies. When scientists observe how animals, like polar bears and their hunting habits, shift in response to melting ice, it highlights the urgency of addressing global warming. This knowledge fosters a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all life forms and emphasizes the need for a holistic approach to environmental protection. Rather than focusing solely on individual species, we may begin to see the importance of preserving entire ecosystems, as the health of one species often hinges on the well-being of others. Moreover, understanding animal communication and social structures can encourage us to consider the impact of human activities on wildlife. For example, research into how elephants communicate over long distances reveals their reliance on intact habitats. This insight can lead to more effective land use planning that respects wildlife corridors and minimizes habitat fragmentation. Additionally, recognizing the roles of predators and prey in maintaining ecological balance can shift our perspective on wildlife management, making us realize that protecting top predators is crucial for the health of ecosystems. As we learn more about the intricate relationships between species, we may also reconsider our agricultural practices. Studies showing how certain animals contribute to pollination or pest control can inspire more sustainable farming methods that work with nature rather than against it. This could encourage the adoption of agroecological practices that promote biodiversity, enhance soil health, and reduce the need for chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Furthermore, these insights can influence conservation funding and policies. If we understand that protecting habitats is vital for the survival of numerous species, we may advocate for stronger legal protections for endangered species and their habitats. Engaging local communities in conservation efforts can also become a priority, as local knowledge and participation are essential for successful environmental initiatives. In the realm of education, a new understanding of animal behavior can inspire future generations to value wildlife and advocate for environmental stewardship. When children learn about the fascinating lives of animals and their roles in ecosystems, they are more likely to grow up with a sense of responsibility towards nature. This shift in perspective can lead to a more informed public that supports policies aimed at addressing climate change, habitat loss, and biodiversity decline. As we delve deeper into the intricacies of animal life and their environments, we may find that our approach to environmental issues becomes more thoughtful and comprehensive. By embracing a mindset that values the interconnectedness of all living beings, we can work towards creating a more. Imagine a world where our understanding of technology was significantly shaped by insights from beyond the universe. The idea of receiving knowledge from extraterrestrial civilizations is both fascinating and mind-boggling. If we could learn from advanced beings in distant galaxies, it might change everything about how we approach science and technology. For instance, we could discover completely new materials that are stronger and lighter, which would revolutionize construction and transportation. These materials might not be found on Earth, pushing us to rethink our current resources and manufacturing processes. Moreover, insights into energy production could lead to breakthroughs that are currently beyond our reach. If extraterrestrials have perfected energy sources that are clean and virtually limitless, we might be able to eliminate our dependence on fossil fuels and drastically reduce pollution. This could lead to a healthier planet and a more sustainable way of living for all species, not just humans. Additionally, gaining knowledge about advanced computing technologies could result in faster and more efficient systems. Imagine harnessing quantum computing capabilities that are light years ahead of our current technology. Such advancements could make complex problem-solving instantaneous, leading to rapid progress in medicine, environmental science, and even space exploration. Furthermore, the way we understand biology and ecosystems might also be impacted. If we encountered alien life forms, studying their biology could give us insights into new ways of interacting with our own environment. We could learn about unique adaptations and symbiotic relationships that exist on other planets, which could inspire innovative solutions to conservation efforts here on Earth. In the realm of communication, insights into how advanced civilizations share information could lead to new technologies that break down language barriers and enhance global understanding. Imagine a world where everyone could connect easily, sharing ideas and innovations across continents without misunderstanding or miscommunication. However, it's also important to consider the challenges that could arise from such advancements. Would we be ready to handle the ethical implications of using technology that we don't fully understand? The potential for misuse or unintended consequences could pose serious risks. In summary, if we were to receive knowledge from beyond our own universe, it could dramatically accelerate our technological advancements. This could lead to a future filled with incredible discoveries, sustainable practices, and a deeper understanding of life itself, but it would also require careful consideration of how to manage such powerful insights responsibly. The discovery of alternate dimensions could greatly influence our understanding of parallel universes by opening up new avenues for exploration and inquiry. Imagine if scientists were able to prove that dimensions beyond our own exist. This could suggest that our universe is just one of many, each potentially having its own unique laws of physics, forms of life, or even different versions of ourselves. For example, in a parallel universe, the animals we know might be entirely different, evolved in ways that we can hardly imagine. This could lead to fascinating questions about the nature of species and evolution, as we consider how life might adapt in environments governed by different physical laws. Furthermore, if alternate dimensions allow for time to flow differently, we might see how various evolutionary paths could change based on different historical events. The implications for biodiversity could be staggering, as we could explore how creatures develop in environments that are not bound by the rules we see in our own world. Moreover, this could challenge our understanding of extinction and survival. Species that are gone from our dimension might thrive in another, revealing a tapestry of life that spans more than just our observable universe. The exploration of these alternate dimensions may also inspire new technologies and methods for studying animal behavior, as we learn to think outside our traditional frameworks. So, as we delve deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos, the concept of alternate dimensions could not only reshape our scientific theories, but also ignite a deeper appreciation for the diversity of life that could exist beyond our own reality. Consciousness is a fascinating topic when it comes to understanding our perception of the universe and what may lie beyond it. When we think about consciousness, we often refer to the awareness we have of ourselves and the world around us. In the context of animals and wildlife, consciousness can vary widely across species. For instance, some animals display problem-solving skills and emotional responses, which suggest a level of awareness about their surroundings and social relationships, just as humans do. This awareness may influence how they interact with their environment and other creatures, shaping their survival strategies and social structures. Now, if we consider the concept of consciousness in relation to the universe, it opens up intriguing possibilities. Some scientists and philosophers propose that consciousness might not only be a product of our brains, but could also be a fundamental aspect of the universe itself. This idea suggests that consciousness may play a role in how we perceive reality, including aspects of the universe that are beyond our current understanding. When we look at the vastness of space, we are confronted with mysteries that challenge our comprehension, such as black holes and dark matter. Our conscious experience enables us to ponder these phenomena, driving curiosity and exploration. Moreover, the way animals perceive their environments could provide insight into how consciousness shapes interaction with the universe. Different species have unique sensory abilities. For example, bats use echolocation to navigate and hunt, while some birds can see ultraviolet light. These specialized perceptions allow animals to experience their surroundings in ways that are completely different from human experiences. If consciousness influences how we perceive reality, it may also affect how different beings interact with the universe, potentially leading to a variety of interpretations of what lies beyond our observable limits. As we explore deeper into the realms of consciousness and existence, we might wonder if there are other forms of consciousness that we have yet to discover, whether in extraterrestrial beings or in undiscovered life forms on Earth. Such consciousness could alter our understanding of reality and what it means to exist. If consciousness has the ability to influence the physical world, as some theories suggest, it might even help us bridge the gap between what we can perceive and what exists beyond our current knowledge. The ongoing quest to understand consciousness not only enriches our appreciation of the complexity of life on Earth, but also fuels our desire to explore the cosmos and uncover the mysteries that lie beyond. Exploring beyond the universe poses a fascinating challenge that could indeed require us to rethink our entire understanding of exploration. When we think about exploration, we often picture a physical journey through space, like astronauts traveling to distant planets or rovers scuttling across the surface of Mars. However, if we consider the possibility of exploring beyond the observable universe, we enter a realm that stretches our imagination and pushes the boundaries of our current technology and science. To explore beyond the universe implies venturing into areas that we cannot directly observe, as they lie beyond the limits of light that has traveled to us since the Big Bang. This means that traditional methods of exploration, which heavily rely on observation and data collection through telescopes or spacecraft, might not be applicable. Instead, we might need to develop new ways of thinking about what it means to explore. For instance, we could focus on theoretical exploration, where mathematicians and physicists work to understand the fundamental laws of the universe and the nature of reality itself. Additionally, this redefinition could encompass the exploration of concepts rather than physical locations. We might explore ideas such as the multiverse theory, which suggests that our universe is just one of many universes that exist simultaneously. This concept shifts the focus from physical exploration to a more intellectual pursuit where we analyze and theorize about the nature of existence and the possibilities that lie beyond our own universe. Furthermore, technological advancements could play a pivotal role in this new paradigm of exploration. As we continue to develop technology that can simulate or model conditions beyond what we can physically reach, we might discover new ways to explore through virtual or augmented realities. This could provide us insights into what lies beyond the observable universe without ever leaving our own. Moreover, the philosophical implications of exploring beyond the universe could also redefine our approach. Questions about what it means to be human, our place in the cosmos, and the nature of life itself might become central to the exploration narrative. This could lead to a deeper understanding of ourselves and our relationship with the universe. In essence, as we contemplate exploring beyond the universe, we are not just considering where we can go, but also how we perceive exploration itself. This journey could inspire a profound transformation in our thinking, leading us to embrace a broader definition that includes theoretical, philosophical, and technological dimensions, which could ultimately reshape our understanding of existence and our role within it. Understanding animal behavior and the intricacies of wildlife can significantly shape humanity's aspirations for space travel. As we look to explore the cosmos, we often turn to nature for inspiration. For example, studying how certain animals, like migratory birds, navigate vast distances can provide valuable insights into how we might navigate through space. These birds rely on a combination of the Earth's magnetic field, the position of the sun, and even the stars to find their way, suggesting that we could develop similar methods or technology to help guide spacecraft on long journeys. Moreover, observing how animals adapt to extreme environments can inform our own survival strategies in space. Creatures such as the tardigrade, known for its resilience to extreme conditions, inspire scientists to explore how life might survive on other planets or in the harsh conditions of space. By understanding these adaptations, we can design better life support systems for astronauts, ensuring they can thrive in environments far from Earth. Additionally, learning about animal social structures and communication could impact how we build communities in space. Many species, including dolphins and elephants, exhibit complex social behaviors that allow them to thrive in their environments. If we can apply these lessons to human interactions in space, we might create more harmonious living conditions aboard spacecraft or future colonies on other planets. The idea of cooperation and effective communication becomes crucial when dealing with the challenges of isolation and confinement in space. Furthermore, the study of animals also encourages us to consider the ethical implications of our space endeavors. As we prepare to explore other planets, we must think about the potential for life beyond Earth. The knowledge we gain from studying Earth's wildlife can foster a sense of responsibility towards preserving any forms of life we might encounter in our travels. Understanding ecosystems and the delicate balance of life on Earth can lead to a more thoughtful approach to how we interact with potential extraterrestrial environments, ensuring we do not replicate the ecological mistakes made on our home planet. In essence, the relationship between our understanding of wildlife and our goals for space exploration highlights a profound connection. By looking to the animal kingdom, we can gather insights that not only advance our technological capabilities, but also shape our ethical considerations as we reach for the stars. This knowledge fuels our curiosity and ambition, guiding us toward a future where humanity can explore new worlds while honoring the lessons learned from the diverse forms of life that currently inhabit our own. The discovery that our universe is just one of many, often referred to as the multiverse theory, would have profound implications for humanity's understanding of its place in the cosmos. For starters, it could challenge the very notion of what we consider to be unique about our existence. If there are countless other universes, each with its own set of physical laws, dimensions, and possibilities, then our universe might seem less special than we once thought. This realization could lead to a humbling perspective, where humanity recognizes that we are just one small part of a much larger and more complex reality. Moreover, the prospect of a multiverse could ignite our curiosity about the potential for life beyond our own planet. If other universes exist, there may be countless variations of life forms, some similar to us and others that are entirely different. This could expand our understanding of biology, evolution, and the conditions that foster life. Imagine the possibilities: universes where the laws of physics allow for entirely different forms of life, or where intelligent beings have developed in ways we can't even conceive. Such discoveries would not only broaden our scientific horizons, but also challenge our philosophical perspectives on life and existence. On a cultural level, the idea of a multiverse might influence art, literature, and even religion. Stories about different realities and parallel worlds have already captured the human imagination, and the confirmation of a multiverse would take this to new heights, inspiring a wave of creativity and exploration in various forms of expression. It could lead to new mythologies, where each universe has its own tales, heroes, and struggles, enriching our cultural fabric. Additionally, if we were to discover ways to interact with or travel to other universes, it would revolutionize our understanding of technology and physics. This could lead to advancements that we currently consider science fiction, pushing the boundaries of what we believe is possible. The implications for space exploration, communication, and even our understanding of time and space would be staggering. Ultimately, the knowledge that we are part of a multiverse could encourage a sense of unity among humanity. Recognizing that we share a common existence amidst a sea of infinite possibilities might inspire us to cooperate more, as we would be reminded of the fragility of our own universe. In this larger context, the struggles and conflicts we face could seem trivial compared to the vastness of existence itself. In such a scenario, our perspective on life, purpose, and the universe would shift dramatically, leading us to both question and celebrate. The understanding of what lies beyond our observable universe could profoundly impact theories of cosmic inflation. Cosmic inflation is a theory that suggests a rapid expansion of the universe just after the Big Bang, which helped to explain the uniformity of the cosmos we see today. However, if we consider what might exist beyond our observable universe, we open up a range of possibilities that could alter our current models. For instance, if there are other universes or dimensions, the mechanisms driving inflation might be influenced by interactions with these realms. This could lead to new insights into how inflation started and how it behaves. Furthermore, if we discover that our universe is part of a larger multiverse where different regions undergo their own inflationary processes, this could change our understanding of the initial conditions necessary for inflation to occur. It might suggest that inflation is not a unique event but rather a common phenomenon in a vast and complex cosmos. Additionally, the physics governing these other regions could provide clues about the forces at play during inflation, leading to refined theories that incorporate these new elements. This exploration of the unknown could also encourage scientists to reconsider the foundational assumptions of inflationary theory, prompting new experiments and observations designed to test these ideas. Overall, as we strive to understand what lies beyond, we may find ourselves on the brink of significant advancements in our theories of cosmic inflation, reshaping our comprehension of the universe's history and its underlying principles. Exploring the boundaries of the universe opens up fascinating questions about the potential for a unified theory of everything, especially in the realm of wildlife and natural phenomena. Just as scientists seek to understand the universe's edges, we can look at the intricate connections within ecosystems that illustrate a similar quest for understanding. For instance, consider how the delicate balance of predators and prey shapes animal behaviors and habitats. In a healthy ecosystem, each species plays a role, much like the forces of nature that govern the cosmos. This interconnectedness can be likened to the fabric of the universe itself, where each thread represents a different aspect of wildlife. If we delve into the behavior of animals, we can see how they adapt to their environments, much like scientists adapt their theories to new discoveries. Take the migration patterns of birds, for example. These incredible journeys are guided by instinct and external cues, reflecting a profound understanding of their universe, which includes weather patterns, food availability, and even the positions of stars. Similarly, the concept of boundaries comes into play when we think about the habitats of various species. Each ecosystem has its limits, whether they be physical barriers like mountains and rivers, or more abstract ones like climate or human impact. Understanding these boundaries can lead to better conservation efforts, ensuring that species thrive within their defined environments. Just as physicists search for unifying principles that describe all forces in the universe, conservationists strive to find solutions that benefit both wildlife and humanity, creating a more harmonious existence. The idea of interconnectedness can extend to the relationships between different species as well. For instance, bees play a crucial role in pollination, which is essential for many plants, and without these tiny creatures, entire ecosystems could collapse. This symbiotic relationship highlights how everything in nature is interconnected, much like the forces that govern the universe. As we learn more about animal behavior and the ecosystems they inhabit, we get closer to piecing together a larger puzzle, one that might not be unlike the quest for a unified theory of everything in physics. Researchers studying animal communication, for instance, uncover how different species convey information and react to their environment, revealing layers of complexity that mirror the ongoing search for understanding the universe. In this way, by examining the boundaries of ecological systems and the relationships within them, we gain insight into the broader principles that govern life on Earth. Just as scientists hope to describe the universe's workings through a single theory, we too can strive to understand the intricate web of. The concept of multiple realities can really shake up how we think about life and death, especially when we consider the animal kingdom. Imagine if there are different layers of existence where animals experience life in ways we can't fully grasp. For instance, what if there are realities where certain species thrive in environments that we can't even imagine? In such realities, the rules of survival could be completely different, with animals adapting to unique challenges and developing extraordinary traits that help them navigate their surroundings. This idea might make us rethink how we define life itself. Moreover, the notion of death may also take on new meanings. If other realities exist, could it be possible that when an animal dies in one reality, it simply transitions to another? This could lead us to question what happens to the spirits of animals and whether they move through these unseen worlds, experiencing different lives and forms. For example, a lion that passes away in one reality might find itself in a different realm as a bird or a fish, continuing its journey in a different capacity. This perspective might also influence our understanding of biodiversity. If species are able to shift between realities, we could be living with only a fraction of the animal diversity that actually exists. The animals we know may just be representatives of a much larger, interconnected web of life that transcends our perception. Such a revelation could challenge conservation efforts, as we might need to consider not just saving species in our reality but understanding their roles in a broader context. One fascinating aspect is how this idea could influence our emotional connections with animals. If we believe that animals have experiences beyond our understanding, it might deepen our empathy towards them. We may start to see animals not just as beings with instincts and needs, but as participants in a larger cosmic tapestry, where their existence and essence are part of something much more significant. Additionally, this might encourage us to explore the ways we interact with wildlife. For instance, if we view animals as part of a continuum that spans multiple realities, we might become more inclined to respect their habitats and lives, recognizing that our actions could ripple across these layers of existence. The mysteries of life and death could be viewed as interconnected threads, weaving together the stories of all living beings, and our understanding of these concepts would evolve dramatically. In essence, considering the existence of other realities opens up a treasure trove of philosophical questions about the nature of life and death, especially in relation to animals. It challenges us to think beyond the here and now, suggesting that the cultural myths have long served as ways for societies to explain the unknown, often using the stars and celestial phenomena as backdrops for their narratives. Many ancient civilizations viewed the night sky as filled with deities and creatures, shaping their beliefs and storytelling around these celestial figures. For instance, the Greeks imagined constellations as heroic figures or mythical beasts, painting stories of their adventures and struggles against the backdrop of the cosmos. As we gain a deeper understanding of what lies beyond our planet, these myths could be reinterpreted through the lens of modern science, offering fresh perspectives on ancient tales. Take, for example, the myth of the Pleiades, a cluster of stars that appears in various cultures, from the Greeks to Native Americans. Traditionally, these stars were seen as seven sisters fleeing from a hunter. With modern astronomy revealing that the Pleiades is a group of stars physically related and moving through space together, one might reinterpret the story as a reflection of the interconnectedness of celestial bodies, emphasizing themes of unity and togetherness rather than mere flight from danger. Similarly, the ancient belief in a cosmic ocean, often depicted in myths as a vast body of water or an abyss, could be revisited in light of our explorations of black holes and the mysterious nature of dark matter. Instead of a fearsome void, this cosmic ocean could symbolize the unknown potential of the universe, highlighting humanity's quest for knowledge and the excitement of discovery. Moreover, stories of creation found in different cultures, such as the Hindu concept of Vishnu sleeping on the cosmic serpent or the Judeo-Christian idea of God creating the universe from chaos, could be viewed through the lens of the Big Bang Theory. This reimagining allows for a dialogue between ancient beliefs and modern scientific understanding, where the act of creation is seen not just as a singular event, but as a continuous process that shapes the universe over time. As we explore exoplanets and the possibility of life beyond Earth, myths about alien beings could also be revisited. Ancient tales of gods descending from the sky may find new meaning as we consider the potential for extraterrestrial life, transforming the narrative from mere mythology to a commentary on humanity's place in a broader cosmic community. The idea of the underworld, prevalent in many cultures, could also be reinterpreted with our understanding of the universe's vastness. Instead of a literal underworld, it might symbolize the unexplored regions of space, suggesting that what lies beyond. As we delve into the fascinating realm of space exploration, the idea of using artificial intelligence, AI, to venture beyond our universe becomes increasingly intriguing. Imagine a future where spacecraft equipped with advanced AI systems can navigate the vast, unknown territories of space, making decisions in real time and analyzing data far more efficiently than human operators. The sheer size of the universe presents challenges that are simply overwhelming for human beings alone. Distances are vast, and the environments are often hostile, making it essential to have intelligent systems that can adapt and respond to unexpected situations. AI could play a crucial role in the design and operation of these exploratory missions. For instance, autonomous drones or rovers could be sent to distant planets or moons, equipped with AI that allows them to conduct experiments, gather samples, and even search for signs of life without constant control from Earth. These machines could learn from their surroundings, improving their functionality as they go, and making discoveries that we might not even anticipate. The ability to process enormous amounts of data quickly could also enhance our understanding of celestial bodies, helping scientists identify patterns and anomalies that human analysis might miss. Moreover, AI could help in the management of resources during long-duration space missions. As humans embark on journeys that could last years or even decades, maintaining the health and safety of the crew becomes paramount. Intelligent systems could monitor the crew's well-being, optimize food and water supplies, and manage life support systems efficiently, ensuring that astronauts can focus on their scientific tasks rather than the logistics of survival. This level of automation would also be invaluable for missions that venture to the farthest reaches of space, where communication with Earth would be delayed, making instant human input impossible. However, the integration of AI into space exploration is not without its challenges and controversies. Ethical considerations regarding the autonomy of machines come into play, as well as concerns about the reliability of AI in critical situations. There's a delicate balance between relying on artificial intelligence and ensuring that human oversight remains intact. The question of whether machines can truly make decisions that reflect human values is a topic of ongoing debate among scientists, ethicists, and engineers alike. As we imagine a future where AI aids in unraveling the mysteries of our universe, it's clear that these advancements will not only help us explore the cosmos, but also enrich our understanding of life itself. The possibilities are endless, from discovering new planets that could harbor life to understanding the fundamental nature of the universe. With AI by our side, the dream of exploring beyond our universe may not. Exploring the mysteries of energy and matter often leads us to think about the vast universe and its many realms beyond our immediate experience. In the study of wildlife and animals, this concept can be surprisingly relevant. For instance, consider how different species interact with energy in their environments. Energy manifests itself in various forms, like sunlight, which plants capture through photosynthesis, or the movement of animals as they hunt or migrate. Understanding these processes offers a glimpse into how life on Earth is interconnected with the energy flows around us. When we think about knowledge from other realms, such as the deep ocean or even outer space, we find that these environments challenge our current understanding of energy and matter. For example, creatures living in the deep sea, like the anglerfish or giant squid, have adapted to utilize bioluminescence, a fascinating form of energy production. This adaptation not only helps them survive in complete darkness, but also teaches us that energy can come from unexpected sources. If we were to gain knowledge about life forms that might exist on other planets, for example, we could completely rethink the ways energy is harnessed and used by living organisms. In addition, studying different ecosystems reveals how energy flows through food webs, showing the connection between plants, herbivores, and predators. Each organism plays a role, and understanding these relationships can lead to new insights about energy transfer. If we were to explore realms that we have never encountered, such as the possibility of extraterrestrial ecosystems, this could reshape our understanding of matter itself. For instance, could there be forms of life that rely on energy sources we have never imagined, perhaps even using elements that are rare on Earth? Moreover, our understanding of energy and matter is continuously evolving through scientific discoveries. The study of quantum mechanics has already changed our views about the fundamental nature of matter, suggesting that particles can exist in various states and even influence one another across great distances. As we explore other realms, we may discover new forces or interactions that challenge our conventional ideas about energy and matter. Consider the possibility of life forms in extreme environments, like the high radiation zones of space, that utilize energy in ways we have not yet conceived. Such discoveries could lead to revolutionary technologies or approaches to energy use on Earth. The relationship between energy, matter, and life is complex and ever-changing. As our knowledge expands, particularly with insights from unexplored realms, we may find that everything is interconnected in ways we did not previously understand. This not only enriched exploring the potential for time travel, especially if we were to understand the structure beyond our universe, opens up a fascinating realm of possibilities that stretches the imagination. Imagine if we could grasp the concept of multiple dimensions existing alongside our own. These dimensions could serve as pathways through time. Theory suggests that if our universe is just one bubble in a vast sea of bubbles, each representing a different universe, then traversing between them might allow us to step into different timelines or realities. This could create scenarios where past events might be altered or where future possibilities could be explored. Additionally, if we were to comprehend the fundamental nature of time as a nonlinear entity rather than a straight line, we might be able to navigate through it much like moving through a landscape. This idea aligns with certain interpretations of quantum mechanics, where particles can exist in multiple states at once. If we could harness such principles, it could lead to machines or methods that allow us to slip between various points in time and space. Moreover, if we consider the implications of wormholes, which are theoretical passages through space-time, the ability to connect distant points in time could become a reality. By understanding the fabric that holds our universe together, we might find ways to create stable wormholes, allowing us to travel not just vast distances, but also to different times. Imagine visiting the age of dinosaurs or witnessing significant historical events firsthand. This potential exploration raises questions about causality and the butterfly effect, where small changes in the past could lead to vast differences in the present and future. Understanding the structure beyond our universe could provide insights into these phenomena. If we were to develop technology based on this advanced understanding, it would require not just scientific breakthroughs, but also a moral and ethical framework to guide how we interact with time. The journey into the unknown could be thrilling, but it would also come with significant responsibility. As we ponder the possibilities of time travel, the implications of our actions on the timeline and the universe as a whole would need careful consideration. The concept of time travel might not only change our relationship with the past and future, but could also reshape our understanding of existence itself. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, the idea of time travel becomes less science fiction and more a tantalizing glimpse into what might be possible. International collaboration in space exploration is a fascinating topic, especially when we consider how our understanding of what lies beyond Earth can shape these efforts. As we gaze into the cosmos, we are not just looking at distant stars and planets, we are also uncovering mysteries that can spark curiosity and cooperation among nations. For example, the discovery of water on Mars or the presence of organic molecules on other celestial bodies raises questions about the potential for life beyond Earth. This knowledge can create a sense of urgency and excitement, encouraging countries to work together to explore these possibilities. Moreover, as we learn more about the challenges of space, such as radiation exposure and the effects of microgravity on living organisms, it becomes clear that no single nation can tackle these issues alone. Countries may find it beneficial to share their research and technology, pooling resources to develop better spacecraft, habitats, and life support systems. This collaboration can lead to more innovative solutions, as each nation brings its unique expertise and perspective to the table. The potential for discovering extraterrestrial life also plays a significant role in international collaboration. If scientists were to find evidence of life on another planet or moon, it could unite humanity in a common goal, transcending borders and politics. This shared quest could foster peaceful relations among nations as they work together to understand this profound discovery and its implications for our understanding of life in the universe. Additionally, the idea of joint missions to explore distant worlds can create opportunities for cultural exchange and scientific diplomacy. When scientists from different countries collaborate on a space mission, they not only share knowledge but also build friendships across cultures. These connections can lead to greater understanding and tolerance among nations, as people recognize their shared goals and aspirations in the quest for knowledge. Furthermore, the ever-growing interest in commercial space ventures adds another layer to international collaboration. Companies from various countries are entering the space race, developing technologies and systems that can complement government-led initiatives. This commercial interest can encourage partnerships between private enterprises and governmental space agencies, leading to innovative projects that benefit all parties involved. As we continue to study the universe, the potential discoveries awaiting us can inspire a sense of wonder and curiosity, driving nations to work together in ways that were once thought impossible. The more we learn about the cosmos, the more we realize that our planet is just a small part of a vast and interconnected universe, prompting us to unite in the exploration of what lies beyond. As we explore the mysteries of the universe, the idea of studying phenomena beyond it raises fascinating questions about our understanding of science and the natural world. Imagine a realm where scientists delve into concepts that stretch beyond the fabric of space and time, perhaps into alternate dimensions or parallel universes. This could lead to the emergence of entirely new scientific disciplines focused on understanding these enigmatic realms and the laws that govern them. For example, researchers might investigate the behaviors of hypothetical particles that could exist outside our known universe, or they could study the implications of theories like string theory or the multiverse, which suggests that our universe is just one of many. In such a scenario, disciplines like extranuclear physics could emerge, dedicated to studying energies and forces that operate beyond our observable boundaries. Similarly, cosmological anthropology might develop, exploring how life and consciousness could manifest in these alternate realities, shedding light on evolutionary processes that differ from those on Earth. The implications of these new fields could revolutionize our understanding of biology, physics, and even philosophy. Moreover, as scientists venture into these uncharted territories, they might adopt innovative research methods, integrating technology that allows for simulations of these exotic environments. This could involve advanced computer modeling to predict phenomena that have never been directly observed, or the use of artificial intelligence to analyze vast amounts of data from theoretical experiments. The possibilities for collaboration would expand too, merging fields like astrophysics, quantum mechanics, and even metaphysics, creating a rich tapestry of knowledge that pushes the boundaries of what we know. The need for new scientific disciplines would also emphasize the importance of interdisciplinary education, preparing future generations of scientists to think outside conventional frameworks. Just as zoologists study the intricate behaviors of animals within ecosystems, these new fields could explore the behaviors of entities in realms we can only theorize about, leading to a deeper appreciation of existence itself. As we ponder the mysteries beyond our universe, the question of whether life exists in these places becomes tantalizing. If we find evidence of extraterrestrial phenomena, fields like exobiology could evolve to study not just life as we know it, but life forms that might exist under entirely different conditions. This would enrich our understanding of the diversity of life and the conditions necessary for it to thrive, prompting a reevaluation of our own planet's ecosystems. In this age of discovery, the pursuit of knowledge about the universe, and possibly beyond, could inspire a new generation of thinkers, dreamers. Understanding the diverse life forms on Earth and their habitats can significantly influence how we view our responsibilities in space, especially when considering global politics and territorial claims. As we deepen our knowledge about ecosystems and the interconnectedness of species, this awareness might lead to a shift in how nations approach space exploration and resource utilization. For instance, the discovery of microbial life on other planets or moons could challenge the notion of ownership and territorial claims, as the presence of life would imply that we share the universe with other living beings. If we find evidence of life, it could spark debates over whether we should exploit these environments or protect them, similar to how we debate conservation efforts on Earth. Moreover, as countries develop their space programs, they often look to extract resources from asteroids or other celestial bodies. If we recognize the intrinsic value of life and ecosystems, it could lead to international agreements that prioritize preservation over exploitation. This might foster cooperation among nations, encouraging them to work together to protect extraterrestrial environments rather than competing for dominance. The concept of common heritage of mankind, which already exists in discussions about the ocean and Antarctica, might extend to space, promoting a collective responsibility to safeguard not just our planet but also the celestial bodies we explore. Furthermore, as knowledge of Earth's biodiversity grows, it might inspire a more ethical approach to how we treat other worlds. If we understand that ecosystems are delicate and interconnected, we may be more inclined to prevent contamination and destruction when we venture into space. This ethical framework could influence political decisions, leading to stricter regulations on space activities and a more unified global stance on space stewardship. In this context, nations might find themselves needing to negotiate new treaties that reflect these values, ensuring that all countries have equal access to space resources while committing to protect any discovered life forms. As the urgency of climate change and environmental degradation on Earth becomes ever more pressing, the lessons we learn about conservation and respect for life may guide our actions beyond our planet, shaping the future of international relations in the cosmos. This evolving perspective highlights the potential for a shared human identity that transcends borders, emphasizing collaboration rather than competition as we reach for the stars. The implications of these changes could redefine territorial claims, shifting the focus from ownership to stewardship, ultimately changing the way we envision our role in a vast, shared universe. Imagination plays a crucial role in theorizing about what lies beyond the universe, as it allows us to explore ideas and concepts that we cannot observe or measure directly. When we think about the universe, we often find ourselves pondering questions that stretch beyond our current understanding. For instance, as scientists study the cosmos, they encounter phenomena such as dark matter and dark energy, which are almost invisible yet seem to make up a significant portion of the universe. Our minds begin to wonder what these forces might be, leading us to imagine possibilities that could explain their existence. In the realm of astrophysics, theories about black holes, wormholes, and even multiverses spark our curiosity. These concepts push the boundaries of what we think is possible. Imagination allows us to visualize scenarios where time and space behave differently than we experience them on Earth. It encourages us to ask what-if questions, enabling scientists to develop hypotheses that can later be tested through observation and experimentation. Theoretical physicists often rely on imaginative thinking to create models of the universe that include dimensions we cannot perceive or the behavior of particles at speeds close to that of light. By envisioning these complex ideas, they can form a more comprehensive understanding of the forces that govern the cosmos. Moreover, imagination is not limited to scientists alone. It also captivates writers, artists, and philosophers who ponder the mysteries of existence and our place in it. In this way, imagination serves as a bridge between known science and the unknown mysteries that lie beyond. It fuels creativity and innovation, allowing us to dream of what might be out there, whether it's other galaxies, alien life forms, or alternate realities. As we continue to push the frontiers of knowledge, imagination remains a vital tool that helps us expand our understanding of the universe and inspires future generations to explore the cosmos with wonder and curiosity. Understanding animal behavior and biodiversity not only enriches our knowledge of the natural world, but also has profound implications for theories of evolution, especially when viewed on a cosmic scale. When we observe how different species adapt to their environments, we begin to see evolution as a dynamic process influenced by numerous factors, including environmental changes, competition, and even the movement of species across continents. This perspective suggests that evolution is not merely a linear progression, but a complex interplay of various forces, much like the intricate dance of celestial bodies in the universe. For instance, consider the role of cosmic events like meteor impacts or solar radiation fluctuations, which can drastically alter environments on Earth. These events can lead to mass extinctions, reshaping the evolutionary trajectory of life. The extinction of the dinosaurs, for example, paved the way for mammals to thrive and eventually become the dominant group. Furthermore, when we think about the vastness of the universe, we can speculate about the possibility of life beyond Earth. If life exists on other planets, it might evolve under completely different conditions, leading to forms of life that we cannot even imagine. This cosmic perspective encourages scientists to broaden their definitions of life and evolution. It challenges the idea that evolution is solely a terrestrial phenomenon and prompts a consideration of how life could adapt to the diverse environments found throughout the universe. The study of extremophiles on Earth, organisms that thrive in extreme conditions, provides tantalizing clues about how life might survive on other planets, influencing theories of evolution beyond our world. As we gather more information about how animals interact with each other and their surroundings, we develop a richer understanding of the evolutionary processes that shape life. This knowledge can help scientists make predictions about how species might evolve in response to future environmental changes, including those driven by human activity or natural events. The interconnectedness of life on Earth reflects a broader pattern that may be mirrored in the cosmos, suggesting that evolution is a universal principle, one that could govern life wherever it may exist. Such insights can revolutionize our understanding of evolution, making us reconsider not just how life adapts on Earth, but how it might occur throughout the universe. In this way, the exploration of animal behavior and ecological relationships becomes an essential piece of the puzzle in unraveling the mysteries of life and evolution on a cosmic scale, inviting us to look beyond our own planet and ponder the possibilities that exist in the vast expanse of space. If we were to discover entirely different forms of life, it would certainly challenge our current understanding of what life is. Traditionally, we define life based on certain characteristics, such as growth, reproduction, response to stimuli, and metabolism. However, imagine encountering organisms that do not fit neatly into these categories. For instance, if we found a life form that exists in extreme environments like the depths of the ocean or the surface of Venus, we might need to reconsider whether our definitions are too narrow. Similarly, the idea of life could expand further if we were to discover beings that communicate or interact in ways we cannot currently comprehend. Think about the potential existence of silicon-based life as opposed to the carbon-based life that dominates Earth. This could mean life forms that do not rely on water or oxygen and could exist in conditions that are inhospitable to us. Such discoveries would not only broaden our perspective on biology, but would also make us question the fundamental principles we have long accepted. Moreover, if we found intelligent life that evolved under different circumstances, their social structures, cultures, and technologies could differ dramatically from ours. This would not only enhance our understanding of life's diversity, but could also lead us to rethink concepts like consciousness and sentience. Would we still define intelligence in the same way if we encountered beings that think and process information differently than we do? The implications of discovering new forms of life could also extend to our views on ecosystems and interdependence. We often think of ecosystems as networks of plants, animals, and microorganisms. However, if we found life forms that interact with their environment in unique ways, it might prompt us to reconsider the balance and relationships that sustain life. In addition, there are philosophical implications to consider. The very essence of what it means to be alive could shift, leading to debates about the rights of these new life forms and our responsibilities towards them. If life can take so many forms, the ethical frameworks we use to navigate our interactions with other beings might need a complete overhaul. Ultimately, the discovery of entirely different forms of existence would not just be a scientific breakthrough. It would be a profound moment for humanity, leading us to reevaluate our place in the universe and the connections we share with all forms of life, no matter how different they may be. This exploration would encourage curiosity and wonder about the possibilities that exist beyond our current understanding, pushing us to explore the vast unknowns of life itself. As we explore the mysteries of the universe, educational curriculums are beginning to evolve to include not only the knowledge of animals and wildlife, but also the broader concepts of what lies beyond our planet. In biology classes, for example, educators are now introducing the idea of astrobiology, which examines the potential for life beyond Earth. Students learn about extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme environments on our planet, and how these remarkable creatures could provide clues about life on other planets or moons. Science classes may incorporate discussions on the conditions necessary for life, exploring topics like water, atmosphere, and the necessary building blocks of life that might exist in the vastness of space. In geography and earth science, the curriculum might expand to cover planetary geology, where students study the surfaces and atmospheres of other celestial bodies, comparing them to Earth. They might look at Mars, with its dry riverbeds and polar ice caps, and imagine what life could have looked like there billions of years ago. Environmental science classes could include lessons on how Earth's ecosystems are unique in the universe, prompting discussions about conservation and the importance of protecting our planet in the face of cosmic possibilities. Moreover, subjects like physics and chemistry are seeing an infusion of cosmology. Concepts such as dark matter, dark energy, and the Big Bang Theory can be introduced alongside lessons about fundamental forces and chemical reactions. These topics help students understand the universe's structure and composition, sparking curiosity about what lies beyond our solar system. In literature and art classes, students might explore creative expressions of the universe through poetry, storytelling, and visual arts. They could be inspired by the beauty of galaxies and the mystery of black holes, encouraging them to think critically about our place in the cosmos while learning to articulate their thoughts and feelings about it. Additionally, technology classes could incorporate the tools scientists use to explore space, such as telescopes and satellites, teaching students not only the science behind these instruments, but also the importance of innovation and engineering in expanding our understanding of the universe. This integration of cosmic knowledge into various subjects fosters a more holistic educational experience, encouraging students to think beyond Earth and consider their role in a much larger context. By weaving these elements into the curriculum, educators are not just teaching facts, they are inspiring a new generation of thinkers to explore the unknown, appreciate the complexity of life, and understand the interconnectedness of everything, from the tiniest microbe to the vast reaches of space. This broader understanding encourages students to ask, imagine gazing up at the night sky and wondering what exists beyond the vast expanse of stars, galaxies, and unknown realms. The potential psychological effects on humanity upon discovering what lies beyond the universe could be profound and multifaceted. First, consider the sense of awe and wonder that such a discovery might evoke. People have always been curious about the cosmos, and uncovering new truths could spark a renewed interest in science, philosophy, and our place in the universe. This shift could lead to an increase in collective curiosity, driving individuals to explore deeper questions about existence, purpose, and the nature of reality itself. On the other hand, the knowledge of life beyond Earth, or even the presence of other intelligent beings, could create a mix of fear and excitement. Some people might feel threatened by the idea of extraterrestrial life, leading to anxiety about humanity's safety and future. This could foster a sense of paranoia or even xenophobia as individuals grapple with the implications of not being alone in the universe. Conversely, for many, this knowledge could promote a sense of unity among humans as we realize that we are just one small part of a much larger cosmos. This could inspire a collective effort to tackle global issues, such as climate change and resource depletion, as humanity comes together to face the unknown. Additionally, the psychological impact could lead to a shift in belief systems. For some, the discovery of advanced civilizations or alternative forms of life might challenge long-held religious or philosophical beliefs, resulting in an existential crisis for those who feel their worldview is threatened. Others may find their beliefs enriched, incorporating new ideas about the universe into their understanding of spirituality or existence, leading to a broader acceptance of diverse perspectives. The exploration of what lies beyond the universe could also spark a wave of creativity and inspiration in the arts, literature, and media. Artists and writers might delve into new themes, exploring human emotions in relation to the cosmos, creating works that resonate with the feelings of wonder, fear, and curiosity. This could enrich cultural narratives and expand the ways humanity expresses the complexities of existence. Moreover, the psychological effects may not be limited to individuals. Entire societies could undergo transformations as they process the implications of newfound knowledge. Educational systems might adapt to include cosmic awareness, fostering a generation that is more thoughtful about its role in the universe. This could lead to a more scientifically literate populace, eager to engage with the mysteries of space and time. In a more personal sense, individuals may find themselves reflecting on as we delve into the concept of how future generations might perceive their place in the universe, it's fascinating to consider the profound impact that new discoveries and knowledge about animals and wildlife could have on their worldview. Imagine a future where children grow up learning about the intricate relationships between species, the delicate balance of ecosystems, and the importance of biodiversity. They might see themselves not as separate from nature, but as integral parts of a vast web of life that includes everything from the smallest microbes to the largest mammals. This shift in perspective could foster a deeper sense of responsibility towards the environment, prompting young minds to engage in conservation efforts and sustainable practices from an early age. Moreover, if future generations are equipped with a clearer understanding of animal behaviors, communication, and intelligence, they might develop a greater empathy towards non-human species. Learning that animals have complex social structures, emotions, and the ability to communicate might challenge traditional views of humanity's superiority. Instead of seeing themselves at the top of a hierarchy, they could recognize that humans share the planet with other sentient beings, each deserving respect and consideration. This could lead to a cultural shift where wildlife is valued not just for its resources but for its intrinsic worth, influencing policy decisions and conservation strategies. Furthermore, as scientific advancements continue to reveal the interconnectedness of life on Earth, young individuals might embrace a more holistic view of their existence. They could learn about the ripple effects of their actions on the environment, understanding that the extinction of a single species can have far-reaching consequences. This knowledge might inspire them to advocate for more sustainable lifestyles, pushing for initiatives that protect endangered species and restore habitats. In this future scenario, their education about wildlife could instill a sense of stewardship, encouraging them to take active roles in preserving the planet for generations to come. In addition, the exploration of animal intelligence and emotions could lead to a broader philosophical discussion about consciousness and the rights of non-human beings. As future generations come to terms with the complexity of animal lives, they may begin to challenge existing legal frameworks that govern animal welfare. This could result in a more compassionate society that recognizes the needs and rights of all creatures, fostering a culture of coexistence rather than domination. The advancements in technology, such as virtual reality and immersive educational experiences, could further enhance understanding by allowing young people to experience wildlife in ways never before possible. Imagine them walking through a digitally recreated rainforest, observing the behaviors of animals in their natural habitats, or even interacting with AI-driven simulations of endangered species. This firsthand understanding the intricate relationships between animals and their environments can indeed foster a greater sense of unity among humanity. When we take the time to learn about different species, their behaviors, and their roles in ecosystems, we often find common ground with nature that transcends cultural and geographical boundaries. For instance, consider the migratory patterns of birds. Species like the Arctic tern travel thousands of miles between breeding and wintering grounds, showcasing a remarkable resilience and adaptability that inspires awe and respect. This journey not only connects distant ecosystems, but also highlights the shared responsibility humans have in protecting these migratory paths. As we delve deeper into the lives of animals, we discover the ways in which their survival is intertwined with our own. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, support a vast array of marine life while also providing essential resources for coastal communities. When people understand the fragility of these ecosystems and the impact of human activities like pollution and overfishing, it can ignite a collective effort to preserve these vital habitats. This shared goal can unite people across nations as they work together to combat climate change and habitat destruction that threaten both wildlife and humanity. On the other hand, there is a risk that this knowledge could create division if not approached with care. For example, differing opinions on conservation strategies can lead to conflicts, particularly when local communities feel that their traditional ways of life are under threat from outside conservation efforts. The plight of the elephant illustrates this complexity. While many see them as majestic creatures to be protected, farmers in certain regions may view them as pests that damage crops. Understanding and addressing the needs of both wildlife and human communities is essential to finding common ground. Moreover, the ongoing challenges faced by endangered species can sometimes lead to a sense of hopelessness or despair among people, causing them to withdraw or disengage from conservation efforts altogether. This sense of division can stem from the belief that individual actions are insignificant in the face of global environmental crises. However, inspiring stories of successful conservation initiatives can counteract this feeling, demonstrating that collective efforts can lead to positive change. For instance, the recovery of the bald eagle in the United States serves as a powerful reminder that with dedication and teamwork, species can rebound from the brink of extinction. As we continue to learn about the animal kingdom, it becomes clear that our fates are intertwined. The more we understand the challenges faced by wildlife, the more empathy we develop for their struggles, which can encourage a sense of solidarity. The concept of infinity is often understood as something that has no limits or end, a notion that stretches our imagination when we think about the universe and what lies beyond it. Traditionally, infinity has been linked to mathematics and theoretical frameworks, such as the endless numbers or the infinite possibilities in space. But as we delve deeper into understanding the cosmos, we start to wonder how our knowledge of what exists beyond the observable universe could reshape this idea. Consider the vastness of the universe itself, with billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars and potentially countless planets. When we look at the night sky, we see a tapestry woven with light from distant celestial bodies, but what if the universe is just a small part of something much larger? This brings us to the concept of multiverses, where our universe is just one bubble in a frothy sea of other universes, each with its own laws of physics and possibilities. If we accept the idea of multiverses, the notion of infinity expands dramatically. It's no longer just about the endless expanse of our universe. It becomes about countless other universes that we can't even begin to comprehend. Each universe could have its own timeline, dimensions, and forms of existence, suggesting that infinity isn't just a single concept, but a vast array of potentials. In this framework, infinity is not a fixed point, but a dynamic and ever-expanding concept that reflects the complexity of everything beyond what we currently perceive. Furthermore, if we think about what lies beyond the universe, we may encounter realms that don't even conform to our understanding of space and time. Some theories propose that there could be dimensions that we cannot see or experience with our current senses and technologies. In this context, infinity could be redefined as encompassing not just the physical universe we inhabit, but also the unseen dimensions and realities that could exist in tandem with ours. Imagine the implications of such a reality. If there are infinite dimensions, each with its own characteristics and rules, then the idea of infinity becomes a kaleidoscope of experiences and existences. It challenges our understanding of reality and forces us to reconsider the limits of our knowledge. The borders of infinity become blurred as we realize that what we call the universe is merely the tip of an iceberg that stretches into realms we have yet to explore. This new understanding encourages a sense of wonder and curiosity about the cosmos. It invites us to ponder the mysteries that lie beyond our reach, pushing the boundaries of human. As we dive into the intriguing possibilities of space tourism, it's important to consider how the discovery of new realms beyond our universe could reshape this emerging industry. Imagine if scientists found evidence of other dimensions or parallel universes. This could spark a surge of interest in space travel, as people would be eager to explore not just our solar system, but also these fascinating new horizons. With advancements in technology, the idea of traveling beyond our known universe might not remain a distant dream. If commercial space travel becomes more accessible, we could see a variety of companies offering trips that promise a glimpse into these newfound realms, transforming the way we think about adventure and exploration. On the other hand, the logistics and safety of such journeys would need serious consideration. The unknown nature of these realms could pose risks that current space tourism companies aren't prepared to handle, leading to debates about regulations and safety standards. Moreover, if these new dimensions contain unique ecosystems or life forms, ethical questions would arise regarding our responsibility to protect them from exploitation. As curiosity drives more people to venture into space, the potential for ecological harm could become a pressing issue, prompting discussions about conservation efforts even beyond Earth. Furthermore, the idea of new realms could ignite a cultural shift in how we view our place in the universe. People might start to see themselves as part of a much larger cosmic community, fostering a sense of unity and responsibility for not just our planet, but also for whatever exists beyond it. This change in perspective could lead to an increase in funding for space missions and scientific research as governments and private organizations seek to understand these new dimensions and their implications for humanity. It might even inspire new educational programs focused on astrophysics, cosmology, and interdimensional exploration, sparking a wave of interest in careers related to space. As more people engage with the concept of space tourism, the social dynamics of travel could change dramatically. Imagine a future where family vacations include trips beyond our universe, allowing people to share experiences that once belonged only to the realm of science fiction. This could foster a new sense of adventure and exploration among generations, encouraging a culture of curiosity about the universe and our place within it. In conclusion, the ramifications of discovering new realms beyond our universe would not only impact the logistics and ethics of space tourism, but also influence cultural perceptions and inspire future generations to seek knowledge and adventure in the cosmos. The possibilities are vast and exciting, paving the way for a future where humanity's reach extends far beyond what we currently know. As humans continue to explore beyond our planet, the implications for business and industry are vast and intriguing. One of the most significant developments is the potential for space tourism, where companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin aim to take civilians into orbit. This could lead to a new market for vacationing in space, allowing people to experience weightlessness and stunning views of Earth from above. Imagine hotels orbiting the planet, where guests can enjoy meals while gazing at the stars in our beautiful blue planet below. Additionally, the need for resources in space could spark an entirely new industry focused on mining asteroids. These celestial bodies contain precious metals and minerals that are scarce on Earth, such as platinum and gold. Companies might invest in technology to extract these resources, which could alleviate some of the pressures of resource depletion on Earth. This would not only change the economic landscape, but also encourage innovations in transportation and robotics, as new methods would be necessary to mine and transport materials from space back to Earth. Furthermore, as we venture into deeper space exploration, the demand for sustainable life support systems will grow. Industries could emerge that focus on creating closed-loop life support systems, which recycle air, water, and waste, making long-term space travel possible. This technology could also be adapted for use on Earth, contributing to more sustainable living practices and reducing waste. The advancement of space exploration technologies could also lead to improvements in telecommunications and satellite technology. As we deploy more satellites for communication and observation purposes, businesses might find new ways to utilize this data for various applications, such as agriculture, environmental monitoring, and disaster response. Enhanced satellite systems could transform how industries operate, providing real-time information that leads to more efficient practices. Moreover, as humanity looks beyond Earth, there may be a growing market for educational products and experiences related to space. Schools and museums could develop programs that teach children and adults about the universe, fostering a new generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers. This interest in space could lead to collaborations between educational institutions and businesses, creating internships and hands-on experiences that drive innovation. In addition, the exploration of other planets, such as Mars, could lead to initiatives focused on creating habitats for human life. This would require advancements in construction materials and techniques, presenting opportunities for industries to develop new building technologies that could be used both in space and back on Earth. As we push the boundaries of what is possible, ethical considerations will also become increasingly important. Businesses might need to navigate the challenges of space. The discovery of other realms, such as parallel universes or entirely new dimensions, would likely spark a profound rethinking of governance and societal structures on Earth. Imagine encountering intelligent life forms in these new realms. This could challenge our current understanding of citizenship, rights, and the very nature of community. Different realms might have varying laws of physics, cultures, and social norms, which could influence how we perceive cooperation and coexistence. For instance, a realm where time flows differently might lead to new concepts of leadership, as decision-making could involve timelines that stretch over years or even centuries. Additionally, if we were to establish connections with these other realms, questions of resource sharing and diplomatic relations would emerge. Would we form a unified global government to handle these interactions, or would individual nations maintain their sovereignty while negotiating with other realms? Furthermore, the ethical implications of interacting with other life forms would require a shift in our societal values. Would we extend the same rights to beings from other dimensions as we do to our fellow humans? This could inspire new movements advocating for the rights of all sentient beings, leading to a more inclusive approach to governance. The potential for conflict or cooperation with other realms could also reshape political ideologies, pushing us towards more collaborative or, conversely, more isolationist strategies. In addition, the technology we develop for inter-realm travel or communication could create new economic systems. If resources or knowledge from other realms become accessible, it might lead to a surge in innovation, changing how economies are structured and possibly leading to new forms of currency or trade agreements. This evolution might further complicate governance, as societies would need to adapt to the rapid changes in their economic landscape. Moreover, the environmental implications of accessing other realms should not be overlooked. We might find ourselves needing to establish regulations to protect not only our planet, but also the ecosystems of other dimensions. This could lead to the emergence of environmental governance that transcends planetary boundaries, emphasizing our responsibility to all forms of life, not just those on Earth. The discovery of other realms would undoubtedly provoke debates about identity and belonging. As we encounter beings with different forms of existence, our understanding of what it means to be a part of a society could expand. This might inspire a more globalized sense of identity that embraces diversity in ways we have yet to imagine. In summary, the discovery of other realms could lead to a transformative period in human history, prompting us to rethink governance, societal values, and our role in it. Understanding the intricate connections between animals and the natural world around us can offer new insights into mental health and our perceptions of reality. For instance, observing the behavior of social animals like elephants and dolphins can reveal the importance of community and social bonds in maintaining mental well-being. Elephants are known for their strong family ties and emotional intelligence, often showing signs of grief when they lose a member of their herd. This behavior highlights the significance of social support in human lives, suggesting that fostering connections with others can play a vital role in our mental health. Similarly, the complex social structures of dolphin pods illustrate how teamwork and cooperation contribute to a sense of belonging, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy mindset. Moreover, spending time in nature and observing wildlife can have profound effects on our mental health. Research has shown that being in green spaces, where we can encounter various species, can reduce stress and anxiety levels. The sights and sounds of nature, including the calls of birds and the rustle of leaves, can create a calming environment that encourages mindfulness and helps us reconnect with the present moment. This connection to the natural world can shift our perceptions of reality, reminding us of the beauty and complexity of life outside of our daily routines. Additionally, learning about animal behaviors and their adaptations can inspire us to rethink how we approach challenges in our own lives. For example, the migratory patterns of birds, which involve overcoming numerous obstacles to reach their destinations, can serve as a powerful metaphor for resilience and determination. Understanding how these animals navigate their environments can encourage us to develop our coping strategies, enhancing our mental strength and adaptability when faced with difficulties. Furthermore, the concept of biophilia, which suggests that humans have an innate affinity for nature, underscores the idea that engaging with animals and wildlife can improve our mental health. This connection can lead to greater empathy and compassion, not just for animals but for other humans, as we begin to see ourselves as part of a larger ecosystem. This shift in perspective can foster a sense of responsibility towards the environment and the creatures that inhabit it, promoting a more holistic approach to mental health that includes caring for ourselves, each other, and the planet. Incorporating this knowledge into mental health practices could lead to innovative therapies that incorporate animal interactions, such as pet therapy or nature therapy, where individuals engage with animals or spend time outdoors to alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. By embracing the lessons offered by the animal kingdom and our relationship with nature, we can create more effective mental health strategies that. In the vast world of physics, the search for a unifying theory is a quest to understand the fundamental forces that govern the universe, much like how animals interact within their ecosystems. If we were to discover knowledge of other realms, such as parallel universes or dimensions beyond our perception, it could dramatically reshape our understanding of the physical laws. For instance, consider how different species adapt to their environments. These adaptations are influenced by numerous factors, including climate, food availability, and predators. Similarly, if other realms exist, they might operate under different physical laws or constants, which could provide new insights into our own universe's behavior. Imagine if scientists could study the effects of gravitational forces in another realm where gravity behaves differently. Such knowledge might lead to breakthroughs in how we understand dark matter and dark energy, which are still largely mysterious concepts in our current physics framework. Just as animals rely on their instincts and learned behaviors to thrive, physicists rely on experimental data and theoretical models to guide their understanding. If we could access data from these other realms, it might reveal patterns and connections that are currently hidden from us, potentially allowing us to weave together disparate theories into a cohesive narrative. Moreover, this idea parallels how ecosystems operate. The interdependence of species teaches us about balance and resilience. If our universe is just one of many, the interactions between different realms could shed light on how forces and particles interact in ways we have yet to comprehend. It might also challenge our understanding of time and space, much like how certain animals experience time differently than humans, which could lead us to rethink foundational concepts that we take for granted. As we explore these possibilities, we find ourselves at the intersection of curiosity and imagination, much like scientists who study animal behavior to understand broader ecological principles. The knowledge of other realms could inspire a new generation of physicists to rethink existing theories and encourage collaborative efforts across various fields of study, much like how conservationists work together to protect endangered species. In essence, just as the study of wildlife reveals complex relationships within nature, insights from other realms could unlock profound truths about the fundamental nature of our universe, fostering a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all things. The concept of other universes, often explored in the realm of theoretical physics, opens up intriguing possibilities that could reshape our understanding of entropy and thermodynamics. Entropy, a measure of disorder in a system, is a central concept in thermodynamics, which deals with heat, energy, and the laws governing their interactions. In our universe, the second law of thermodynamics states that entropy tends to increase over time, leading systems to evolve towards a state of maximum disorder. However, if we consider the existence of multiple universes or a multiverse, this understanding becomes more complex. In a multiverse scenario, each universe could have different physical laws and constants, which means their levels of entropy might not behave the same way as they do in our universe. Some universes could experience low entropy, allowing for the formation of structured systems, while others might be dominated by high entropy, leading to chaos. This variation suggests that entropy is not a universal constant but could vary from one universe to another. Such diversity in entropy across different universes raises questions about the nature of time and evolution. For example, if certain universes have lower entropy, it might imply that they could be in earlier stages of development, whereas others, with higher entropy, might be in more advanced, chaotic states. Additionally, the idea of other universes could influence our understanding of the arrow of time, which is closely linked to entropy. In our universe, time flows in one direction from low to high entropy. However, if other universes exist with different entropic conditions, this flow of time might not be consistent across the multiverse. Some universes could experience a reversal of the arrow of time, leading to scenarios where disorder decreases rather than increases. This challenges our traditional views of causality and the progression of events, suggesting that time itself might be more flexible than we thought. Furthermore, the interplay between entropy and the fabric of the universe brings forth questions about the fate of our own universe. If other universes exist, it is possible that they could influence one another through shared physical processes or fundamental interactions. This might lead to scenarios where energy and information could be exchanged, potentially affecting entropy levels in ways we cannot yet predict. The implications of such interactions could extend to concepts like black holes, which are known to have unique entropic properties. If black holes exist in the multiverse, their entropy might not only inform us about their own behavior, but also provide insights into the nature of entropy in other universes. As we explore the fascinating world of wildlife, one might wonder about the historical connections between animals and their environments, including the possibility of encountering remnants from other realms of existence. Animals often have deep ties to their habitats, and these links can sometimes reveal clues about ancient ecosystems and the changes they have undergone over time. For instance, fossilized remains of prehistoric creatures provide insight not only into the species themselves, but also into the environmental conditions that prevailed millions of years ago. These artifacts can tell us stories of gigantic dinosaurs that roamed the earth, massive marine reptiles that swam in ancient oceans, or even small mammals that survived catastrophic events. Moreover, in some regions, cave paintings and petroglyphs created by ancient human civilizations depict various animals, showcasing the historical significance of wildlife in human culture. These artworks can be viewed as artifacts from another realm, offering a glimpse into the past and how humans perceived and interacted with the animals around them. The depiction of extinct species in these artworks can spark curiosity about the relationships between humans and animals, revealing how these connections have evolved over time. Additionally, in certain areas, archaeological digs may uncover bones or tools that indicate how early humans hunted and utilized animals for survival. These remnants not only highlight the role of animals in human history, but also suggest that the interactions between species have shaped ecosystems throughout the ages. The relationship between wildlife and humans is complex, filled with stories of cooperation, competition, and adaptation. Furthermore, legends and folklore often speak of mystical creatures and otherworldly beings that inhabit the natural world, suggesting that there are realms beyond our own where animals play significant roles. These tales can inspire curiosity and wonder about the mysteries of nature, sparking interest in the rich tapestry of life that surrounds us. As we delve deeper into wildlife studies, we open ourselves to the possibility of discovering more than just the physical remnants of animals. We may also uncover the historical narratives that connect us to the natural world. The exploration of wildlife is, in many ways, an exploration of our shared history and the environment we inhabit. Such investigations can lead to a greater appreciation of biodiversity and the need to protect the delicate balance of ecosystems that have existed for millennia. By understanding these historical artifacts, whether they are fossils, ancient art, or remnants of human-animal interactions, we gain insight into the intricate web of life that defines our planet. Our understanding of the universe's lifespan could shift dramatically if we were to gain insight into what lies beyond its current boundaries. For instance, if we discovered that our universe is just one of many in a larger multiverse, this could alter our perspective on its age and future. Imagine if each universe had its own set of physical laws and timelines. This would mean that our universe is not an isolated entity, but part of a much larger cosmic tapestry. This could imply that the universe could potentially regenerate or evolve in ways we currently can't fathom, suggesting a lifespan that extends far beyond our current theories. Additionally, knowledge of what exists beyond our universe could introduce concepts like cosmic inflation, where the universe is continuously expanding and creating new regions of space-time. If this were the case, we might consider the universe as a dynamic system rather than a static one, which could affect our theories about its eventual fate. The discovery of other dimensions or realms that interact with our universe might also lead to new theories about the end of time and space as we understand it. Furthermore, if we were to find evidence of civilizations existing in these other realms, it could lead to philosophical and scientific discussions about the purpose and significance of our universe. Would our universe still be viewed as a finite entity, or would we need to rethink its lifespan in the context of these new possibilities? The potential for life beyond our universe might suggest that the universe has a role in a much larger ecosystem of existence, where each universe contributes to a greater whole. In essence, understanding what lies beyond could not only redefine the timeline of our universe, but also expand our comprehension of existence itself, leading to profound implications for science, philosophy, and our place in the cosmos. As we ponder these mysteries, the questions about the nature of reality and our universe's future become even more intricate and fascinating. When we think about the potential colonization of other worlds, especially in the context of space and other realms, it raises many ethical questions. One major concern is the impact on any existing life forms. For instance, if we discover ecosystems on another planet, we must consider whether our presence would harm those delicate environments. Just like how deforestation can destroy habitats on Earth, Introducing humans or Earth-based species to a new world might disrupt the local flora and fauna, leading to extinction or imbalance. Another ethical implication revolves around the rights of these potential alien species. If intelligent life is discovered, we would need to think about what kind of interactions are ethical. Would it be right to colonize a planet that is already home to sentient beings? This question echoes the colonial histories on Earth, where indigenous populations were often marginalized or harmed by outside forces. This historical context emphasizes the importance of approaching the colonization of other worlds with respect and caution, ensuring that we do not repeat the mistakes of the past. Moreover, there's the question of our responsibilities as explorers. If we venture into new realms, we have to consider our role as stewards of these environments. Would we prioritize scientific exploration over the preservation of these worlds? The potential for exploitation, such as mining resources without regard for the local ecosystems, raises red flags about our intentions. Additionally, we must consider the long-term consequences of our actions. If we establish colonies, how will we ensure that they are sustainable and do not become another source of environmental degradation? As we expand our horizons, we must also reflect on the ethical treatment of our own species. In the rush to colonize new worlds, we have to ensure that we do not repeat the inequalities found on Earth. Who gets to go? How are decisions made about where to settle? It's crucial to address these questions to avoid creating new hierarchies or systems of oppression based on access to new frontiers. Furthermore, the implications for technology and the environment are significant. If we develop advanced technologies for space travel and colonization, we need to think about the effects on our planet. Will the quest for new worlds lead to further environmental harm at home, as resources are diverted to support these missions? We must balance our desire for exploration with the need to care for our own planet, which is facing numerous challenges. In conclusion, as we look to the stars and consider the possibility of colonizing other realms, we must engage in thoughtful discussions about the ethical implications. Designing missions to investigate the boundaries of the universe with current technology is a fascinating endeavor that combines our understanding of physics, engineering, and space exploration. One of the primary methods we could use is by sending advanced telescopes into space, similar to the Hubble Space Telescope, but with even more sophisticated capabilities. These telescopes could be equipped with improved sensors that can detect a wider range of wavelengths, from infrared to ultraviolet, allowing us to observe celestial bodies and cosmic phenomena that are too faint or distant for ground-based telescopes. Another approach could involve the use of robotic spacecraft, which can travel farther and gather data from locations that are currently out of reach. For example, missions could be designed to explore the outer edges of our solar system and beyond, using technologies like solar sails or ion propulsion systems, which are efficient and can sustain long journeys. These spacecraft could carry instruments to measure cosmic radiation, magnetic fields, and even the presence of dark matter, helping us understand what lies at the very edges of our universe. Additionally, launching missions that utilize gravitational lensing could provide insights into the universe's structure. This technique involves using the gravity of massive objects, such as galaxies, to bend and magnify the light from objects behind them. By carefully selecting the paths of our missions, we could gather information about distant galaxies, their formation, and the overall expansion of the universe. Collaboration with international space agencies and institutions would also enhance mission designs, pooling resources and expertise to create more ambitious projects. For instance, developing a network of space observatories that work in concert could allow us to capture a more comprehensive view of the universe, sharing data in real time and enabling scientists to analyze findings collectively. Moreover, advancements in AI and machine learning could be leveraged to handle the vast amounts of data these missions would generate. By training algorithms to identify patterns and anomalies in cosmic data, we could discover new celestial objects and phenomena faster than ever before. This would not only speed up our understanding of the universe's boundaries, but also help us refine our search for extraterrestrial life. Lastly, public engagement in citizen science initiatives could play a crucial role in these missions. By involving amateur astronomers and enthusiasts in the data collection and analysis process, we could expand the reach of our investigations. This collaborative spirit not only enriches the scientific community, but also fosters a deeper appreciation for the mysteries of the universe among the general public. With a combination of innovative technology, collaborative efforts, and public participation, the quest to explore virtual reality, VR, is rapidly changing the way we explore and understand the universe, offering a unique platform for simulating experiences that go beyond our earthly existence. Imagine slipping on a VR headset and instantly finding yourself floating in the vastness of space, surrounded by twinkling stars and distant galaxies. This technology allows users to experience the cosmos in a way that was previously unimaginable. Through immersive environments, individuals can explore the surface of Mars, witness the birth of a star, or even navigate a black hole's event horizon, all without leaving their homes. One of the most exciting aspects of VR is its ability to break down complex scientific concepts into engaging and interactive experiences. For example, learners can visualize the gravitational pull of different celestial bodies, understand how light travels through space, or simulate the conditions of life on another planet. This hands-on approach can help deepen understanding and spark curiosity about astrophysics and astronomy, making the mysteries of the universe more accessible to everyone. Moreover, VR can bridge gaps in scientific education, allowing students from various backgrounds to engage with material that might seem intimidating in a traditional classroom setting. By stepping into the shoes of an astronaut or a space explorer, users can gain a sense of empathy for the challenges faced by scientists and researchers in the field. This emotional connection can inspire future generations to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM. In addition to education, VR is also being used in research and development. Scientists can simulate experiments in space, test theories about the universe, and visualize data in 3 dimensions. This not only enhances their understanding but also allows for innovative problem-solving techniques that can lead to new discoveries. For instance, researchers can create models of cosmic phenomena that would be impossible to replicate in real life due to the vast distances and extreme conditions involved. Furthermore, VR can serve as a powerful tool for public engagement and outreach. Planetariums and science centers are beginning to incorporate VR experiences into their exhibits, giving visitors the chance to embark on virtual space missions or explore the intricacies of the universe in an interactive manner. This kind of engagement can ignite passion and interest in astronomy among people of all ages, fostering a greater appreciation for the wonders of the cosmos. The potential for VR in simulating experiences of what lies beyond our universe is vast. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated simulations that will allow us to explore phenomena like dark matter, cosmic inflation, or the very nature of time and space itself. Understanding the nature of consciousness, particularly in relation to animals, opens up fascinating avenues for exploration. Many people often think of consciousness as a human trait, but emerging research shows that various animal species exhibit signs of awareness and complex behavior, suggesting that consciousness might not be as unique to humans as once believed. For instance, studies on dolphins have revealed their ability to recognize themselves in mirrors, which indicates a level of self-awareness. Similarly, elephants display behaviors that suggest they experience grief, such as mourning their deceased companions. These observations challenge the traditional view of consciousness and invite us to consider the emotional and cognitive lives of animals in a new light. Moreover, examining different species can lead us to appreciate the diversity of consciousness across the animal kingdom. Birds, particularly corvids like crows and ravens, have demonstrated remarkable problem-solving skills and can use tools, showcasing a level of intelligence that rivals that of some primates. This raises interesting questions about the evolutionary origins of consciousness and how it has developed in various environments. Additionally, the ways in which animals communicate also suggest a rich inner life. For example, the complex vocalizations of whales and the intricate dances of bees highlight that consciousness might be deeply connected to social interaction and environmental adaptation. As we delve deeper into the study of animal behavior and cognition, we can uncover more about the subjective experiences of non-human creatures. This knowledge not only enriches our understanding of consciousness itself, but also influences how we approach issues like animal welfare and conservation. If we recognize that many animals possess consciousness, it becomes crucial to advocate for their rights and protection, as their experiences and emotions matter. Ultimately, this knowledge urges us to broaden our perspectives, encouraging a more compassionate approach to all living beings. In turn, understanding consciousness in animals can help us reflect on our own experiences and relationships with the natural world, fostering a deeper connection with the intricate web of life that surrounds us. While the discussion of determinism and free will often finds its roots in philosophical debates, it also has intriguing parallels in the animal kingdom, particularly in understanding behavior and instinct. In nature, many animals seem to act on instinct, following predetermined patterns that ensure their survival. For instance, migratory birds travel thousands of miles each year, guided by internal cues that compel them to fly to warmer climates. This instinctive behavior raises questions about choice and autonomy in the animal world, much like those surrounding human free will. Some researchers argue that certain animals display a level of decision-making that suggests they have some form of free will, even amidst biological determinism. For example, studies on primates have shown that they can make choices based on past experiences, indicating a degree of cognitive flexibility. Similarly, dolphins exhibit playful behavior, which implies they engage in activities for enjoyment rather than mere survival, suggesting they possess a sense of agency. This complexity in animal behavior sparks a fascinating discussion on whether determinism governs their actions or if they experience a form of free will. On the other hand, the idea of instinctual behavior in species like honeybees or ants reinforces a deterministic view. These insects follow strict roles within their colonies, performing tasks that are hardwired into their genetic makeup. Their actions seem dictated by the needs of the hive rather than individual choice, presenting a contrast to the notion of free will. As scientists study animal behavior, they increasingly recognize that various factors, such as environment, social structures, and evolutionary history, influence decision-making processes. As researchers delve deeper into these topics, they often find that the lines between determinism and free will blur, not just in humans but across the animal kingdom. The exploration of consciousness in species like elephants, who display empathy and mourning behaviors, challenges previous notions of instinct versus choice. If elephants can exhibit emotional responses and make decisions based on those feelings, could this imply a different kind of agency? The growing body of evidence suggesting that many animals are capable of more complex thought processes than previously believed invites a reevaluation of philosophical perspectives on free will and determinism, both within the context of human experience and the broader spectrum of life on Earth. In summary, the ongoing study of animal behavior sheds light on the intricate relationship between instinct and choice, prompting a re-examination of philosophical ideas about determinism and free will. As we continue to learn from the animal kingdom, we may find that our understanding of these concepts evolves, reflecting a deeper appreciation for the lives of. When it comes to measuring or observing phenomena from beyond our universe, scientists rely on a combination of advanced technology, mathematical theories, and creative thinking. One intriguing approach involves the use of telescopes that can detect light and other forms of radiation coming from distant galaxies. These telescopes, like the Hubble Space Telescope or the upcoming James Webb Space Telescope, can capture images and data from billions of light years away, allowing us to study the light that has traveled across the cosmos for eons. By analyzing this light, scientists can glean information about the composition, distance, and behavior of celestial objects, even if they exist beyond our observable universe. Another fascinating method involves the study of cosmic background radiation, which is the afterglow of the Big Bang. This faint radiation fills the universe and provides clues about its early state. Scientists use specialized instruments to detect variations in this radiation, which can inform us about the universe's expansion and the potential existence of other cosmic phenomena. Additionally, researchers explore the concept of gravitational waves, ripples in spacetime caused by massive celestial events, such as black holes merging. Detectors like LIGO and Virgo have made groundbreaking discoveries by observing these waves, giving us insights into events that occur far beyond our visible reach. Moreover, theoretical physics plays a crucial role in understanding phenomena beyond our universe. concepts such as string theory and the multiverse hypothesis suggest that there may be other dimensions or universes that we cannot directly observe. While these ideas are still being explored, they offer a pathway to thinking about the universe in new and exciting ways. Scientists often rely on computer simulations and mathematical models to predict what might exist beyond our observational limits, leading to new hypotheses that can be tested as technology advances. Astrobiology also intersects with this inquiry, as researchers seek to understand the potential for life beyond Earth. By studying extreme environments on our planet, such as deep-sea vents or acidic lakes, scientists gather insights into how life might survive in alien worlds. This research informs the search for exoplanets, planets outside our solar system, that may have conditions suitable for life. Furthermore, collaborations between international space agencies and research institutions foster a shared understanding of cosmic phenomena. Missions to Mars and beyond aim to gather data that could hint at life or other significant events in the universe's history. As we develop better tools and techniques, our ability to measure and observe the vastness beyond our universe continues to expand, driving our curiosity and deepening our understanding of the cosmos. The implications for human evolution when interacting with life forms from other realms could be vast and transformative, influencing not only our biological development but also our culture and societal structures. If we were to encounter intelligent extraterrestrial beings, it might challenge our understanding of what it means to be human. The exchange of knowledge, technology, and even genetics could lead to advancements that reshape our capabilities. For instance, imagine the possibility of learning advanced medical techniques from these beings, which could significantly extend human life or enhance our health. Furthermore, the introduction of new life forms might lead to a reevaluation of our place in the universe. Humans have long seen themselves as the pinnacle of evolution on Earth, but interacting with other sentient beings could foster a humbling perspective. It could spark philosophical debates about consciousness, intelligence, and the criteria we use to define life. This could lead to a greater appreciation for biodiversity on our own planet, as we recognize that life can take many forms and that we are part of a much larger tapestry. Culturally, these interactions could inspire new forms of art, literature, and music, reflecting the shared experiences between humans and these other life forms. The blending of ideas and traditions might create a richer cultural landscape, encouraging collaboration and understanding across species, which could ultimately lead to a more peaceful coexistence. On a biological level, if we were to engage in genetic exchange with these entities, it might push the boundaries of human evolution in unexpected ways. For instance, if we could incorporate beneficial traits from other species, such as enhanced sensory perceptions or resistance to certain diseases, this could lead to a new branch of human evolution, one that is more adapted to a changing environment or even to life in space. Moreover, the ethical implications of such interactions would be significant. We would need to consider the rights of these life forms, how to ensure mutual respect in our dealings, and what responsibilities we have toward them. This could lead to new laws and international agreements governing how we interact with non-Earth beings, similar to current wildlife conservation efforts, but on a cosmic scale. In summary, the ramifications of engaging with life forms from other realms could profoundly influence our evolutionary path, cultural identity, and ethical frameworks. Each of these elements is interconnected, suggesting that the impact of such interactions would be multifaceted, encouraging humans to adapt, grow, and rethink their role within the universe. Understanding animal behavior and ecosystems can profoundly influence climate change initiatives on Earth. For instance, learning about how certain species adapt to changing climates can help scientists develop better conservation strategies. When we recognize that animals, like polar bears, are experiencing habitat loss due to melting ice, it highlights the urgent need for actions aimed at reducing greenhouse gas emissions. The plight of these iconic animals can serve as powerful symbols, rallying public support for climate initiatives. Moreover, studying the migration patterns of birds or the breeding cycles of amphibians can provide critical insights into how climate change affects biodiversity. If we see that certain species are migrating earlier in the spring due to warmer temperatures, this information can guide policymakers to create protected areas that consider these shifts, ensuring that animals have safe habitats as the climate continues to change. Additionally, knowledge about the interconnectedness of species within ecosystems can lead to more holistic approaches in climate action. For example, understanding that healthy forests not only provide homes for countless species, but also act as carbon sinks can lead to initiatives aimed at reforestation and habitat restoration. These efforts not only help mitigate climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide, but also support the myriad of wildlife that depend on these ecosystems. Furthermore, the relationship between animals and their environments can influence sustainable practices in agriculture. By recognizing how certain farming techniques harm local wildlife, farmers can adopt more environmentally friendly practices that protect animal habitats while still producing food. This knowledge can foster a greater appreciation for biodiversity and encourage communities to engage in practices that support both wildlife conservation and climate change mitigation. In urban areas, understanding how wildlife adapts to city life can inform urban planning efforts. By creating green spaces and wildlife corridors, cities can reduce their carbon footprints while also providing safe passage for animals. This integration of nature into urban environments not only helps combat climate change, but enriches the lives of city dwellers by promoting biodiversity. Lastly, raising awareness about the role of animals in maintaining ecosystem balance can inspire individuals to take action. When people learn how bees, for instance, are essential for pollination and how their decline could disrupt food systems, they may be more inclined to support environmental policies that protect these vital creatures. Each piece of knowledge about animals and their environments can spark a greater commitment to tackling climate change, showing that conservation and climate action go hand in hand. In the exploration of wildlife and the natural world, there is a fascinating intersection between ancient philosophies and modern discoveries that can be quite enlightening. For instance, many ancient cultures held deep respect for animals and nature, viewing them as integral parts of a larger interconnected system. This perspective is echoed in contemporary ecological studies, which emphasize the importance of biodiversity and the interdependence of species within ecosystems. As scientists make new discoveries about animal behaviors, communication, and social structures, we find that these findings often align with ancient teachings that advocated for harmony with nature. Take, for example, the teachings of various indigenous tribes who have long understood the significance of animal migration patterns and seasonal changes. Recent studies have revealed that certain species of birds and mammals exhibit remarkable navigational skills, often relying on environmental cues that have been recognized by these cultures for generations. This shared knowledge prompts a revival of interest in ancient wisdom, as modern researchers seek to learn from the experiences and observations of those who lived closely with the land and its creatures. Moreover, the concept of totem animals, prevalent in many indigenous societies, underscores a belief in the spiritual connection between humans and animals. With new insights into animal intelligence and emotional capacities, there is a growing recognition of the sentience of non-human beings. This understanding encourages a reevaluation of our ethical responsibilities toward wildlife. As we uncover more about animal cognition, such as the complex social structures of elephants or the problem-solving abilities of crows, we are reminded of the ancient philosophies that advocated for respect and empathy toward all living creatures. The revival of these teachings can also be seen in the growing movement for conservation and animal rights. Many activists draw upon the principles of stewardship and guardianship found in ancient texts, advocating for the protection of habitats and the preservation of endangered species. This blend of old and new highlights a comprehensive approach to wildlife conservation, one that honors the past while embracing the advancements of modern science. In addition, the rise of holistic approaches to health and well-being, inspired by ancient practices, has sparked interest in the ways animals contribute to our lives. Practices such as animal therapy, which harnesses the calming presence of pets or therapy animals, reflect the ancient understanding of the healing power of nature. This connection reinforces the notion that our well-being is intertwined with the health of the natural world. As we continue to uncover new discoveries about the animal kingdom, it becomes increasingly clear that ancient philosophies have much to offer in guiding our relationship with wildlife. The lessons from the past can. The discovery of beings beyond our universe could significantly change how we define intelligence and sentience, particularly in relation to animals and wildlife. For centuries, many have viewed intelligence as a trait primarily associated with humans and a few other species, such as dolphins, elephants, and primates. However, if we were to encounter extraterrestrial life forms, it might compel us to broaden our understanding of what it means to be intelligent or sentient. For instance, we could find beings that communicate in ways we cannot yet comprehend, or that exhibit problem-solving skills using methods entirely foreign to us. This could lead us to recognize that intelligence is not solely about advanced reasoning or language, but also about adaptability, survival strategies, or even how different species interact with their environments. Moreover, this evolutionary perspective on intelligence might lead to increased appreciation for the cognitive abilities of various wildlife. Animals like crows and octopuses already showcase remarkable problem-solving skills, and with an expanded definition of intelligence, we might gain deeper insights into their capabilities. As we explore the characteristics of these hypothetical beings, we could also begin to question the common traits we associate with sentience, such as self-awareness and emotional depth. Perhaps we would discover that sentience exists on a spectrum, where different forms of life demonstrate varying degrees of awareness and emotional complexity, reshaping our understanding of animals like wolves, who work in packs, or even ants, which exhibit remarkable cooperation. Additionally, if extraterrestrial beings possess forms of intelligence that differ drastically from our own, it could encourage us to rethink our relationship with Earth's wildlife. We may come to realize that the unique ways animals experience the world could offer insights into alternative forms of consciousness. This newfound awareness might inspire conservation efforts, emphasizing the intrinsic value of all life forms rather than viewing them solely through a human-centric lens. This shift in perspective could lead to a more holistic approach to wildlife preservation, fostering a deeper connection with the natural world. As we ponder the implications of discovering life beyond our universe, our definitions of intelligence and sentience may evolve, encouraging us to appreciate the diverse manifestations of life on Earth and beyond. Such a profound realization might inspire an ongoing dialogue about the rights and welfare of animals, urging us to advocate for their protection and understanding. This journey into the unknown could foster a greater sense of empathy and responsibility toward all living beings, highlighting that intelligence and sentience are not exclusive to one species, but shared across the vast tapestry of life. When pondering the mysteries of the universe, one might wonder about the ultimate questions that would remain unanswered, even if we grasped what lies beyond the vast cosmos. For instance, if we were to discover the boundaries of the universe, a question that might still linger is, what existed before the universe began? This query leads to the concept of time itself. If time started with the Big Bang, then what does before even mean? Another intriguing question is, what is the nature of consciousness? Even with advanced knowledge of the universe, understanding how subjective experiences arise from physical processes in the brain is a profound mystery that could elude us. Then there's the philosophical question of, why is there something rather than nothing? This question grapples with existence itself, and regardless of our scientific advancements, it may always remain a puzzle at the heart of human inquiry. Furthermore, if we venture into the realm of multiverses, one might ask, are there infinite possibilities and realities, and if so, what does that mean for our understanding of fate and free will? Each of these questions touches on deep existential themes that challenge our comprehension of reality, suggesting that no matter how much we learn, some mysteries may always lie just beyond our reach, tantalizing us with their complexity and depth. Additionally, the question of, what is the ultimate purpose of life in the universe, could persist, as even with the knowledge of the cosmos, the search for meaning might remain a uniquely human endeavor, reflecting our innate curiosity and desire to understand our place in the grand scheme of things. Each inquiry leads us deeper into the labyrinth of thought, where the more we know, the more we realize how much there is still to explore. In this way, the pursuit of knowledge becomes a journey filled with wonder as we confront the limits of our understanding while embracing the questions that inspire us to seek answers, even if they elude us in the end. Exploring the vastness of the universe brings us to contemplate not only the celestial bodies we can see, but also the mysteries that lie beyond our current understanding. When we look at the night sky, we see stars, planets, and galaxies, yet the question remains, what truly exists beyond what we can observe? This curiosity leads us into the realms of science, where physicists and astronomers work tirelessly to unravel the secrets of dark matter and dark energy, phenomena that make up a significant part of our universe, but remain largely invisible to us. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, we encounter theories such as the multiverse, which suggests that our universe might be just one of many, each with its own sets of laws and realities. This concept not only expands our scientific understanding, but also ignites philosophical debates about existence, reality, and our place in the grand scheme of things. Philosophers ponder the implications of a multiverse on free will and determinism, raising questions about whether our choices are truly our own if countless other versions of ourselves exist in parallel dimensions. This intertwining of science and philosophy encourages a broader discussion about ethics and the responsibilities we hold as a species. If there are indeed other worlds or life forms out there, what ethical obligations do we have toward them? How should we approach the potential discovery of extraterrestrial life, and what cultural shifts might occur in our collective consciousness as we reevaluate our understanding of life itself? As we navigate these profound questions, technology plays a crucial role in enhancing our exploration. Telescopes and space probes have opened our eyes to the wonders of the universe, allowing us to gather data from distant galaxies and even analyze the atmospheres of exoplanets for signs of life. The advancement of artificial intelligence and machine learning is also transforming how we analyze vast amounts of astronomical data, making it possible to identify patterns that were previously beyond human capability. Moreover, the cultural impact of contemplating what lies beyond our universe cannot be understated. Literature, art, and cinema have long been inspired by the idea of the unknown, prompting imaginative narratives about alien civilizations, cosmic travels, and the existential questions that arise from the search for meaning in an infinite universe. This creative exploration helps to shape our understanding of the universe and our role within it, encouraging a sense of wonder and curiosity that drives scientific inquiry and philosophical thought alike. In this intricate tapestry of science, philosophy, ethics, culture, and technology, the exploration of what exists beyond the